Yo, 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 what up, what up, what up? What up, everybody? What up? What up? Oh snap! I didn't even realize Don Vo's live right now too. Don Vo, what the heck? I didn't even know bro was live. That's the only reason why I jumped on right now. Let me make sure he's live. Wait, is he live? Oh, he is live.
Real quick, let's see what's up here because I think when you opened up today, there's no top wick. Holy. That wasn't too bad of a drawdown. That was like what, 3 hours shot, 4 hours? That wasn't bad. Like right here, right? Like look how close he came.
Dang, that's crazy. Don's on. Let's go. That's actually the reason why I got on right now was because of that.
There's no time? Oh yeah, 5-7.
Let's see.
Yeah. Can't see it. It's very small, but like there was a wick. It was very close, bro. It was super, super close. Am I intended to be even? Okay. Yeah, right here, like right there. Like look how close the stops were.
Sound like he almost hit stop.
Yeah, Jeff. Shit. It looks like they're gonna pull the rest of the range down. I was thinking folks like 23 speed, but right? All part of that shot. The miracle move. The plot twist. It's been a while since we had a plot twist too. I'm like, yo. We get a plot twist, man.
So that'll be the range, right? So that'll be the close above there. So if we have a close above there, we should be targeting the next previous high, which would also be right here, which is exactly what we targeted. So when we close above there, we close above there. So we close above there, and then we wick above it, and that's what did start that rally back down. Let me see something real quick. Yo, what up, everybody? Just watching, just looking over some stuff real fast. Alright, let's see. Alright, so what I'm looking for. Yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching. Just looking around right now. Just checking some things out right now. All right, so look, this is kind of what I'm taking a look at right here. All right, so look, this is what I seen right here, going off of this area to try to find these areas right here, right? So look, on this 15-minute time frame, what I seen here right here was that this big candle was a whole range right here. So if this candle was a range, then what I seen was that it broke below this range right here pretty much. So it closed below, I mean it wicked below and then closed back inside of the range, which is above here. So now the next range will be at the top up here. So that was what pretty much got targeted. So that's why I have this dotted line right there, which is this top of the range of this candle, right? So this is pretty much the range it's breaking out of. And what I've been noticing is that when you go to a smaller time frame, now you go to the previous high of that area, which is, look at, this is the dot that I'm making of that candle, right? I go down up to the 5-minute, and the high before, right before this wick, which is the previous high, which will be right there, that's exactly where we tapped into and closed above. So what usually happens is, what I've been noticing is that we need to close above, and then this high needs to get broken, and that was what got broken back into the range, and then that's what caused this move all the way down now. So now my idea is this, is that, okay, so what might need to happen is, if we did clear this whole range, then I'm wondering, could this just be a move to continue back down? Because if this is the bottom of the range, there's a good chance that we need to break these lows, possibly down to these lows right here. So kind of what I'm looking at right now is to figure out what might happen. So what I was noticing on this 5-minute was the same idea, which is why I have this line right here, which is this whole candle's a range. It did the exact same thing, wick below, close back inside of the range. So now what's going to need to happen is, we're going to need to touch the top of this and probably target the previous high. If you notice where the previous high would be, it's either going to be this, or I'm thinking most likely it's going to be this area. So if you were to put a stop, a line right there, that's kind of going to be a target area that we're most likely going to probably push up from here. So if what I'm thinking, if all of this idea is correct, then that means, I mean, it could also mean something too, where we might even come, who knows, maybe even up to this point. But the same way I came up, yo Daniel, what up, bro? But yeah, the same way I came up with that idea to get this high right here, because what I've been noticing is that it's really just going from high to high. So like I was saying, is on this 15-minute time frame, you could see how long this candle is. That was pretty much the range that we're in. So us being in that range right there, that's what I've been noticing, doing these back testing and just watching for this over and over. So when it breaks out of that range, it targets the previous high, which is this high right here, and then that's what this candle right here got, and that's what we pretty much wicked above to come back down. So now what I'm kind of seeing though too is there is this wick below right over here where, I mean, we did tap into this low right here and tap back into that. But from what I'm kind of seeing right here, if you were to put this like down the middle like that, it's gonna probably mirror this section over here. So if that is the case, then there's a good chance that, you know, we did find this support. We came back up to this resistance, so we might come back up to these resistance areas and continue back down to confirm this right here. So we'll see how that ends up going. But my idea would be the same thing right here. Like I said, the same way I got this target previous high to come back down, this is what I'm seeing right here, is that if this candle ends up becoming the range that we're in, then what we're gonna do is we close back inside of it, back inside of this candle. So what we're gonna do is target this high. What's gonna happen is we're gonna close above, and the same way we closed above here, and then we targeted the previous high, which is that. So if we close above here, we're going to target the previous high, which is, I'm assuming it's going to be most likely this high right here. So there's a good chance that we are going to continue back up to that point right there. Let's see. Stoic World, isn't that a buy zone? What zone are you talking about, buy zone? But what I'm saying is, what I'm kind of seeing though is that what's going to happen is we're going to close above here, then we're going to target the previous high, which is going to be this guy up here, and then that's where I think we're going to break above and then start making our way back down, possibly back down to these levels. So I do see a possible buy coming in right now, but I don't know if I might be too late. I might have been too late, but that is the idea though, is to take this as a buy. And it's gonna most likely, like I said, is unless it just comes up to these levels, but I don't think it'll come up just to those levels. I think most likely it's gonna come up to these previous highs, which is gonna be these highs right here. Most likely at least here. First is gonna be there, and then I guess that could be like your break even. Yeah, it's too late to enter. Yeah, I know. That's what I was thinking. But my idea though is that it's gonna need a target up to this level up here, which is this 22 level. So if it targets that 22 level, then it still got a 15 to 20 pip range. So I'm just wondering if any way we get a possible pullback like right here and then go up like that, we could maybe look for a buy down here to take back up. Because the internal liquidity would be down here. So I think if we were to come down and bounce off anywhere, we probably will bounce around here. So I think if we do come down to these levels, this is where we most likely, and then if anything, we might need to target this previous low, which is going to be here. So I think if we need to come down, it might come down to something like that. So, I mean, or it might continue just straight up, but my idea though is that it might need to tap like this and then go up. But it is breaking above. That is the idea though, is that it is breaking above that. Which is, it's kind of, let me see. So I think if anything, it's gonna tap from here. Now it's gonna go to the previous high, which is most likely gonna be in these areas. Yeah, so here's a high here, and yeah, it's most likely gonna come up to these levels up here. It's gonna hit this 22 area. And this is where I think it's gonna react at. It's gonna react right here. See, but that's where I would have wanted to take a buy. If, like I said, if I would have been able to get back down here, I would have taken a possible buy. But I think it might be too late too. I mean, I could have even taken at the break of this candle right here. That wouldn't have been too bad. I've been 6 pips up right now. It's still 10 pips, but yeah, like I said, I'm pretty sure it needs to hit that. So it's gonna tap up to that. We'll see how low this wicks down, but this could wick down. Can you explain order block? Order block, I don't really understand order block like too crazy, but just kind of from what I'm familiar with, from what I understand, as you could kind of see like these levels right here, like there's a high and then there's a low, right? So with the high up here, it's usually the last, like when you're going upwards, it's the last green candle before the move down. You know, it's not going to be this candle. It's not going to be this candle. It's going to be this one right before the move down. So if you were looking for, you know, an area of interest, you're going to be looking for this candle right here, which is all of this box. So with that box being there, that's where you'll be looking for some kind of reaction or something. And then when you're coming down, there's also this bigger one down here. So it would be this whole box, but you could go to a smaller time frame and refine it a little bit, like go to a 5 minute, and then you could probably find it somewhere right here, you know. And if you kind of look, if you put this box right here, look at exactly where this did bounce off of, right above that box. Yeah, see, yeah, this was the idea. It does need to tap this area up here. I really wish I would have gotten in down here, but that was the idea. So we did need to tap up to here, and then we're gonna go to the previous highs, which is gonna be up here. So we do need to tap up here. So what I'm thinking though is that it does need to possibly come down. It possibly needs to come down. So if that's the case, so because the reason why I think it might need to come down is for the same reason that, like, right here, this touched the top of the range. So now what most likely needs to happen is we need to come down and touch the bottom of the range. So if this ends up becoming the bottom of the range, we might need to work our way down here, something like that. That's kind of what I'm thinking, because there is also a range right here at the bottom down here, which is this whole candle right here. You can see this big giant candle. This is a whole range right there, because that's what the candle pretty much is, the range. So you can see this is all what we're tapped. So if we touch the top, look at like right here, the last time we touched the top, we touched the bottom. So the last time we touched the top, there's a good chance that we might need to touch this bottom, because I don't think this would be like, from what I'm familiar with and what I've been kind of keeping track with, as you can see how this just moved up right here, there's really nothing right here for it to bounce off of. If you go to a smaller time frame, you will see that though. Like I said, look at where it bounced off of here, and then you look over here, there's really nothing that it could have bounced off of, even though it did bounce off pretty good. What I'm thinking though is that it might only go so high, which is kind of why it did get rejected at that point. So if we want to come higher than that, we might need to target these lows, which is also going to be these lows right here. So yeah. Oh, did it tap it? Uh-oh. Let's see. Okay, look, it just tapped it. It just tapped that level that we were talking about. So I'm wondering if this could possibly be a sell area that we might need to target back towards these lows. So the same idea that I had over here, it needed to tap this previous low. It needed to tap the previous high, I mean. It tapped the range, close above, wick above. So it closed above, and then that got wicked above. So it needs, something needs to close above, and then above there it needs to get wicked above, and then it's gonna come down like that. So that's kind of what I'm thinking is gonna happen next. All right, so let's wait for a close above. Let's see what happens possibly. This needs to close above. Let's see. So that'll be that. That'll be that. Well, actually, you know what? It's gonna probably need to come up to here. Okay, that's done. That'll be done. This would need to come up to here. That's gonna need to come up to there. And then we go to the previous 15, which will be the previous 5 high, which will also be here. So I think it needs to come here. It needs to tap that now. That's what I'm getting at. So what's going to happen is that it's going to need to tap that higher level first. So if that's the case, it's going to do that to that, and then it's going to bounce from there. It's going to come back down from there, I believe. Let's see. Which is also going to be the top. So that did, yeah, it needs to come down, I think. So I think it needs to come down. Yeah, it needs to come down. I believe it needs to come down to here somehow. At some point, it's going to need to come down. All right, let's see. Nothing closed above yet. So I'm wondering, but this was the idea. It needed to close above that. There it goes. Okay, so what I'm going to do right here, I'm going to take a sell right here. Let's see. Come on, it's not getting me in. All right. Got me in down here. All right, this stop is gonna be, let's see, I'll do right here, which will be a 5 pip stop. Damn, that thing just gonna run like that. Let's see. I'll actually move it up to here. I'll move it up to 10 pip. Damn, that thing is moving. Let's see. Yo, fluidity. I was thinking it was gonna reject right here at this level right here, but damn, I guess not. I thought that would be it. So it closed above, it wicked above, but I'm wondering if this needed to close above and then wick above here like that. So I have it right here at this high, which is here. If it touches that high, it's completely wrong. Let's see. I'm only down 6 pips right now, so we'll see right now. Once I get back in a break even, I'm going to I'm almost at break even. So when I get back into these areas down here, I'll probably go to break even pretty quick, just in case. Alright, so there it goes. I'm gonna go to break even. Go to break even. And right now, this is at 10 pips. I'm not gonna close it at 10 pips. I just have it at this level just so I know what to be looking for. So there it goes. Let's see. I'll probably target this bottom area, which would be around 11 pips. We're gonna see how it goes. I'm just gonna let it rock. I'm not gonna close anything. So we'll just wait and see. Let's see. Look at the 4-hour price action. We're sitting on support, I think. 4 hour. Yeah, no, could be, definitely. Kind of see this going. I see these lows possibly be needing to be targeted. So let's see. Let's just see how this goes. I was expecting this kind of to get a move. So if we need to get a move, I'm thinking what might need to happen though is we might need to target these lows right here. So if we could target these lows, then I'm just gonna probably keep it at break even and start seeing how this starts to form. this could be a possible fake out right here. And if this is a fake out, then we might need to target the bottom of the range, which is down to here. And if it targets down here, then I think that's where it could be start targeting down here too. So we'll see how this ends up playing out. But I'm just gonna keep it break even now. So if it hits break even, it hits break even. If not, then it is what it is. But I'm just gonna just let it play out, see how it goes. So okay, so what I'm just gonna read the price action right here. Where I think it's gonna happen, it's gonna need to tap this high right here, and then that's where we're gonna have a reaction at. So at this level is where I think we're gonna have a reaction. This is just how I like to read price action and stuff. So just because I think it's gonna come up to that level possibly and then come back. But if it starts closing above this candle, then because this becomes the range now, so I'm thinking what needs to happen though is that it needs to touch the top and then the bottom. But if it touches the bottom, it's going to go down, whereas if it touches the top and it breaks above, then it could just continue back up. But I'm thinking it might need to oops. Yeah. Alright, there it goes. Let's see. So right now I'm only 5 pips up so far. I'm only about 5 pips. So targeting here, so I'm gonna just see how it goes, see how it plays out. So like I said, this will be 10 pips right here. So if anything, I think that could be the 10 pips right there, and then you could close or not, but I don't think I'm gonna close, just for the reason that I want to see this level could possibly get tapped. So if that's going to be the target area, I think this would be the target, at least 15 pips, I think. So we're up right now 10 pips so far, 15 pips. So let's see, we're up about 10 pips so far, and I'm still break even right now, still break even. So yeah, like I said, we just we cooked that one real good. We cooked that one real nice. Like I said, a lot of people, you probably, I don't suggest people follow my trades blindly, but you know, at least go to break even, close full right here. But I'll probably close right here at 15, or you know what, I'll probably start trailing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna trail my stop. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like just pretty much trail my stops like this. So I'll put as the previous high right here. So this will be the previous high. Once we break these lows right here at this level, once we break these lows, I'm gonna start trailing it at the previous high, which most likely would be this candle right here. So wherever this makes a high is where I'm gonna trail it at, and then that way I guarantee no matter what, I'm gonna close out that much. And it just seems like right there, that's only about nine or so pips. So yeah, like I said, I'm still break even. So I mean, I might, who knows, I might try to just ride it all the way down, back down to this level down here, at least maybe down to this level, which would be this middle level down to 20, which is 20.2, which is still not, that's still only 10 pips away, but that might be the next target. Yeah, and I mean, it could always come back up, but I'm just gonna let it rock and let's see what happens. This didn't have no bottom wick, so I don't really like that. But if we could break that, then I'm wondering if I trail right here. No, that'll only be 10 pips. Now I'm just gonna let it rock. If it goes, it goes. If not, then it is what it is. But yo, what up, Clark? Yeah, I'm up about 10 pips right now, so. So we're up about 15 or so right now. Okay, there it goes. Now I'm gonna start trailing it. I'm gonna trail this high right here. So currently we are up 18 pips, and I'm trailing it at the 15 pip mark. Okay, we're at 15. We're at almost 20 pips. So we'll probably we'll probably target this low right here. We'll see if we can target this low right here. Yeah, so now we're up about 20 pips, 21. All right, let's go. Let's push. All right, 21, almost 22. So I'm in same cell. 2020 is my TP. Let's go. All right, I'm gonna close right here at 20. I'm about, let's see, 22. I'm 21. It says 21, but I think it needs to break this low. It wouldn't have come all the way down here if it wasn't gonna break this low. So once it breaks this low, I'm gonna get out right here. All right, I'm gonna get out right here. That's at 24 pips. I got out. I probably should have trailed it again. Maybe if I would have trailed it from here, that would already be 22 pips in a profit. And I do believe it's gonna come down to 17. So I could have probably stayed in a little bit longer, but oh well. I'll take that dub. 25 TP1. Let's go. Good job, Clark. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Let's go. Man, we straight cooked that one, bro. Straight to the point. Almost damn near to the point, bro. I almost thought I was wrong for a second. I got almost shook for a second. I was shook for a second right here. Y'all almost had me at this point. You guys almost had me at this point. I'm not even gonna lie. Y'all almost had me, but I said, all right. I figured this would be the TP right here, or the stop loss. But I figured, okay, when I went to the higher time frame, the next previous level was up here. So I figured I'll give myself a little bit of breathing room, which is not even that far if you think about it from where my entry was. That was really only a 6 pip difference. I really only needed a 6 pip break. Like, look, from there to my entry to what I needed for a stop loss, I only needed a 7 pip stop loss. So that's why I realized when I was trying to put my stop loss right here, that was only like 3 to 4 pips, and I'm like, man, that's too small. I gotta give it a little bit of breathing room. So I figured at least 9 to 10 pips would be good, maybe at the most 15 up here, which would be this high up here. So but like I said, I only needed a 7 pip draw. But if I were to I think if I were to go a little bit deeper, it did the exact same thing like I was expecting. Is that, like I said, once it breaks above, look, it did the exact same thing like I was saying. Where was it at from earlier? Where did I get in earlier? Okay, was this it? Was this it? Or was it oh yeah, it was this right here. All right, so look, let me explain how I got into the same idea of the trade, everything, right? So look, we are kind of bearish coming down in a sense. So any move up is probably to target maybe these lows still. We might need to target these lows. So damn, who knows? Watch this go all the way down like that, and this trade would have been crazy. Let's go. Damn, that thing's still running, bro. And we had a good entry right there. I think I could have stayed in for another look. At now it's at 30 pips. I do believe it's gonna hit down here at 45-ish. Man, that was a good trade though. I'm not even mad. Can't be mad. Can't be mad. Yeah, I got in on a 30-minute wick entry. Sheesh, that's what's up, bro. That's what's up. Hey, bro, but I straight cooked that one though. I ain't even gonna lie. I ain't even gonna lie. Whoever was here from the beginning, from when I started, you guys seen that. I'm not even bragging about that. I'm just happy with the price action read. You know what I mean? To be able to read it that way is more valuable than the 20 pips I just won. Cause being able to read the price action how you need it, Exactly. Can't be mad. Exactly. Can't be mad. And that's what I mean, bro. Is like just the skill itself will always pay the bills in a sense in the future, but you need the skill first. That's why Stoic World, hey, bro, appreciate it. Hey, heck yeah, he seen that. But yeah, that's why I say it's like it's important to have the skill, because once you have the skill, it just the account size changes, and then the more money you will make, and it eventually one good trade will buy back all your losses you've ever had. So that's why it's so important just to focus on the skill and understand how like the ranges and stuff work. And I think that's what's most important. Look at where it's heading, and damn. But that's why I say is like it's important to understand the ranges. Laughter was here, bro. Let's go. My boy knows what's good. But yeah, that's what I mean. It's like you gotta make sure you understand the skill and understand the ranges, and candles are ranges, and that's all I did right there was understand that candles are ranges. And once you understand candles are ranges, highs need to be tapped, lows need to be tapped, and that's all this is. And that's why I say it's like if you guys want me to give you another breakdown, let me know in the comments if you guys want me to give another little breakdown how I kind of came up with that idea and the plan. If you guys want me to explain how I did it, made a quick 350. Laughter, let's go. Let's go. That's what I like, bro. That's what I like. Let's enter long at 17. Hey, bro, Stoic World. Hey, bro, I was gonna say you looking at my screen, huh? Cause now I just think I was like, man, that's exactly my same thought. I was like, let's take some buys around that area, cause I do believe this could be a. But the same way, the one thing is though, as you can see, look at there's a support here, there's a support here, there's a support here, and then the next support is down here. So what I'm thinking though is that if we end up coming back down to this level, what I've noticed in the past and in times when like this came up to come back down, we couldn't break through. Usually when we come back down to this level, we're going to at least break through for liquidity before maybe coming up, but we could also just continue down, because there's a reason why we didn't break it the first time. We didn't have maybe enough liquidity. So when we created these highs, got people into these buys and stuff and things like that, thinking, maybe people were thinking this was going to be a buy here to maybe continue up to target these highs, but it ended up being almost like a fake out. And then the fake out turns into like, oh, look, we're taking sales, and a lot of people were assuming we were going to come down to these levels with these sales, but it did the exact opposite, and it did that, and then it targeted these highs right here. So it targeted these highs where if you were in a stop loss, you most likely put your stops in these areas. So that's where we did target at, and then right after we came back. So what I'm thinking might need to happen is we might need to come down to these levels down here and target these lows if we want to continue back up. So as you can see how this is just one color green, it's all green, right? So what I've been realizing is that my buddy Elastic is the one that told me about it, is that it's called eternal liquidity. I made 110, Stoic World, let's go. That's what's up, bro. Hey man, that makes me happy that you guys took your own trades, but you guys were right here chilling, watching me break it down also, and you guys succeeded, man. That's what it's about. Now the next step is to protect that capital and move on to the next trade and do the same exact thing, only take a trade that's part of our plan. That way we could compound it with another win, and then we take another win later on today, or maybe wait till tomorrow, add another 20 pips or so, and then now we're up 40 pips. And then the objective of trading, I realize a lot of the times, is to avoid the losses at least. because we could always find the wins, and we don't need to find the wins every single day. But the important part is to avoid the losses. So if we're taking losses that aren't part of our plan or doing things like that, it's easy to fix because we know what we need to do. And don't let something that you can fix be the reason why we're not successful, you know? So, yo, what up, champ? What up? What up? Fury Foley's TV, what up? What's good, bro? What up? Yeah, man, we just got into a sale right now. We just closed out. And we cooked that one right there for sure. We cooked it. Me and the fellas in the chat, we having a good Asian session already and done for the day. If you think about it, that's why you don't want to overtrade and do things like that. Well, FOMC didn't do shit last. Nah, it didn't really do too much crazy. Well, it made it shoot up pretty crazy. Look at all this right here was this morning, and then I took an 80 pips on this pump up. It was the fastest 80 pips I've ever made going up like that. So, and then you had all this going back up and down. But look now, right now, we kind of corrected that area. So, I mean, if you really think about it, this is the range that we're in. So, if we're making a lower low, we might need to make another lower low, which could be this over here, to maybe go back up and target these highs up here. But yeah, I didn't even really check the higher time frame, bro, because I've been cooking these smaller time frames up like crazy, and I really just need, like I said, I need a little good little range for me to take action on, and I could do that. So I just woke up, man. Should I buy now or wait for another entry? I believe, Fury, you should definitely wait. I wouldn't take a trade if you're not prepared or have a plan for it. So, you know, kind of sit back right now and draw up a plan. And we're kind of waiting right now because my expectations was that it needed to come down to these levels. So if it needs to come down to these levels, taking a buy right now means, not saying I could be wrong also. It could just come straight up and I'd be totally wrong. But this is also why I got out of my trade already. I got out right here, and it's looking like it's doing kind of the same thing where now it might need to target these highs up here. So it could come up for a little bit, but the thing is, if it comes up here and then it rejects, you only have this small little space right here to try to collect off of pips. But that's if I'm right. If I'm wrong and it goes all the way up, then that's a different story. But from what I'm kind of looking at is that, like I said, it needs to come up here, possibly to reject, to continue down if it's going to tap these lows. But if this ended up being the low already and we don't need to go any further down, then there's a good chance that we break these highs and then we maybe continue up, you know. But that's kind of right now where I'm if you kind of think about it, if this is a range right here, this is the range, we just tapped the top. We haven't tapped the bottom yet, but we're also right in the middle. So you don't want to be taking no trade when you're right in the middle of a hamburger, you know what I mean? So like I said, this looks like a hamburger. You don't want to be the patty. You want to be taking the trades in the buns. Pause. You know, taking the buy here, boom, buy to go up. Taking the sell here, boom, sell to come down. That kind of stuff. So like I said, right when you're right now in the meat of the patty of the hamburger, you might want to wait. But that's why too I'm kind of thinking, let's see, it's probably gonna come up to here. I think it's gonna come up to here. It's going to come up to there. And look, I just read price action. That's what I've been mainly doing lately, is just mainly reading price action and just how candles are ranges, and just the caffeine messed it up, bro. Wait, pause, champ. You feel me? You gotta take the trade in the buns, bro. Pause. No Diddy. That's funny, bro. Yeah. So like I said, if this is the idea, then the next idea would be up to here. So I think it's gonna come up to here and then get rejected. If that's the case, I'm already out of the trade. I got out at 25 pips, so I'm already out. But dang, that was pretty good though. I can't believe that worked out perfectly. I mean, even if I was still in the trade, we took it way up here, so I'm thinking we could still would have been break even, you know, because my idea is that it needs to come down to these lows. It's because it shouldn't break these highs unless it breaks these lows. Same way right here, look, we broke these lows, we broke these highs. So now we did break these lows here and we broke these highs. So I don't think we should come back up to these highs unless we come back possibly down to either these lows right here or these lows down here. So that's kind of what I'm thinking right now. But yeah, so look at, like I said, we're gonna see how it reacts right here at this candle up here. That's gonna be our next area of interest, where we'll be possibly, or we'll possibly be heading right now. Oh my god, I'm calling the FBI. No way. Champ just straight up pause. Hey yo. But yeah, so what we're doing right now, we're just waiting. We're just waiting. So let's just wait and let's see what happens. Let me get rid of this right here. That was boom. Nope. See, yeah, that didn't. I'm wondering. Okay, it's going to hit that, and then now it might need to hit this. Oh. So what I'm trying to figure out is, man, I got a little bit sidetracked. Let me see something real quick. Okay, let me get rid of this. Okay, so this hit the bottom of here already. So that hit the bottom of there. Let's see, hold on. Okay, hit the bottom of there. So the next low is down here. So it needs to come down here, down to this 18 level. I'm wondering, damn, I wonder if that would have been the sell right there. Because we need to come back down to these levels down here. So if that's the case, then we need to start looking for sales back into this area. But I think this high needs to be broken. But like I said, it might need a tap from here, or it might come straight down, because that might be the area. But no, I think, okay, so it might need a tap up here. Yeah, it's gonna tap here. I think it's gonna tap this and then reject right here, and it's gonna reject. That's where the sell's gonna be. Boom. I wonder if I took a sell right there. Man, oh man, oh man. Damn it, I might have missed it. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Okay, wait, let's wait for a possible closure above, or does it just need a wick above? I think it needs a close above. So let's wait for this to close above, and then we'll see if that possibly. Let's see. Hold on. That's the range of that candle. That's the range. Oh damn! You know what? This thing is kind of saying, what if we go all the way up, back up to these levels? This whole wick comes all the way up here. Oh, you know what? Oh, damn it. You know what? That might have been it. I should have just trusted myself. That would have been the sell from right here. Sell. Imagine sell from 21.4. That would have been up already 10 pips. And now it's gonna hit this bottom watch. Damn it, that was the move. I took it a little too long to figure that out. Took it a little too long to figure that out. That would have been a nice little move right there. So what I'm trying to figure out though, the high is 2305. Oh, it's up here. So that is the high up there. Let me see the 15. I don't know what this is. Let me get rid of that. That was the move though. That was it. 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 Oh, damn it. Imagine another 15 pips real quick. Damn, Laughter, you got in? Yo, go, what up? What up, Lone Trader? Damn it, Laughter, I was about to hop into that right there. That's exactly where I was about to hop in, bruh. But I was a little skeptical because what I kind of see happening though is that on a higher time frame, we might need a tap up here. So if we need a tap up here, then that means at the bottom of the range, which is probably either here or a little bit lower, we might be getting rejected to possibly come back up to these highs. So if that's the case, that was what was skeptical to me. But look at that. Damn, it would have been another. Right from that line down here, been 13 pips. That would have been 15 pips. Damn, that's not bad though. Not bad. That was good though. Laughter, good job. Good work. Good work. But yeah, like I said, I guess the overall idea though is to come down. So I guess if you do see where we need to come, we might need to tap down here, which is at 17. So that is kind of on a higher time frame. This going up is on a smaller time frame, and if I go up to the top, the 50% mark is right here where this yellow line is at pretty much. So that's exactly where we usually tap at. The 50% mark of this candle is pretty much right here. So that's exactly where we did wick at. So I wonder if that could have been enough already, because when you understand the ranges, a lot of times is that's the range right here on this candle. It usually goes at least 50%, which is at least about here, before making the decision either to get rejected to go back up or to just turn around and continue back all the way down. So if that's the case, this is also kind of giving us a bullish idea to come up, because we also have these lower highs right here. So if that's the case, we do have lower highs, I mean lower lows, lower highs, and then we have higher lows right here. So what's gonna need to happen is we might need to create a higher high, so we could create a new lower low, possibly down here lower than these, to break these lows, maybe even down to here, which will be these lows over here. But we're gonna have to see how that goes right now. But yeah, I'm just kind of taking it easy right now. I'm just gonna probably read a little bit of price action right now, just, you know. Damn, I missed that. Yeah, no, I was kind of thinking about it, but that's why I was saying is that at that level is gonna be the range that we have, because look, this is the same idea. This candle right here is the range. So when we close back inside of that range, it let me know, okay, we need to go back to the top of the range. So at some point we need to come back up to here, and that is exactly what happened, where when I seen right at this level, which is this level right here, once we broke it, oh shit, once we broke it with this candle high, broke that level, then we broke that level with this candle high. That is what kind of told me that we're gonna come down now, because that's just what happens over and over and over. It just keeps happening. It's just, like I said, it's just break of high, and then that high gets broken, and then you go back to the other side of the range, and then it just did the same, almost the same thing exactly right here. It tapped the top of the range, and now it might need to tap the bottom of the range, which is at least down here. Oops. But it could continue up. I wonder if it can continue up. Well, actually, let me see. Ooh, there it goes. Yeah, because like I said, the overall idea though is on this candle right here, it needs to tap this low right here. Watch if I take off this 1 sec. This candle right here becomes the range, which is this whole candle pretty much. So we need to touch the high or the low of that candle. There's only two ways for it to go, but I do think it might need to come down to here to 17. So I'm wondering, that would have been the pullback where we would have wanted to take our second sell. We would have, I should have taken the sell from there, went break even real quick. I would have had a small stop. That's why it was also a good entry, because I would have had small stops, which is the previous highs of this. It shouldn't break this high if it's going to continue down, and that's exactly what happened right here. But yeah, that was, like I said, that's how I cook it up, bro. That's just how I cook it up. It just from range to range. And then when you understand, like, I think I might have figured out the little combination to it, which is like this right here, pretty much. Like this was the good example over here. Let me show you this example. This one right here. All right, so look, this was the candle range right here, right? Yeah, I missed that sell. I know. It's all good. I already took my 25 pips, so I can't be mad. But look at, that's what I'm talking about. Look at the same thing. Boom. Same thing right to our levels. It's all good. It's all good. And the reason why I have this as my level down here is because of this candle right here. This is the range that we're in. So we're in the pretty much the top of it and the bottom of it. The next area we need to tap is the bottom. So if before we get any kind of reaction, we're probably not going to react until we touch that bottom area. It's dropping, broke previous 30. Yep, caught that sell. Let's go, fluidity. My boy. Good work. Just went balls to wall 2K. Laughter, no way, bro. Let's go. And Laughter, if you're holding, you might have a chance down to these levels, bro. That's close half, leave runner or trail it. But it is hitting these lows. So what usually happens at a low is it pulls back a little bit. So you might need, and it's going to close right now in the next 5 minutes. So what's going to happen is this is going to close, then the next one's most likely going to wick up and then come back down. So what if you got out here, waited for the wick up, and then got back in to continue down? Let's go, though, Laughter. That's what I'm talking about, bro. 23.17 long. The only thing is, sir, is what I'm looking at is this low down here, and this low is down here is at 23.15.9. So it might need to tap these levels down here, or you know, it's either gonna be one of these two levels right here. Looking at 23.14, yeah, bruh, man. We cooking today, guys. We are cooking today, fellas. I'm liking the vibe we have today, bro. I'm glad I got on, man, and I'm glad you guys joined up because, damn, I almost took that sell right now too. But yeah, I'm glad you guys joined up because, you know what I mean. I'm glad you guys were able to witness that. You know. You need to stream more. Exactly, Laughter. I'm about to. That's why I got on right now, because I was like, man, I need to get back on more streaming. Hey, we got 31 viewers right now. Yo, Kilkenny. What up, bro? Hey, look at. Hey, Ryan. How about this, bro? Look, we took sells earlier in the stream right here. We took sell from here. Boom. Took sell. And we got out right here. Boom. And I was breaking it down. I almost got back in right here at this level. Exactly the level I was looking for. Boom, almost got back in. That would have been another, look at down to TP, 55 pips. But yeah, stream has been cooking today, bro. 50 pips and counting. Clark like that. Clark in. Damn, Clark. Yeah, man, I need to start streaming more. Yeah, bro. I'm gonna get on, man. You guys hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. If we could get this stream up to let's see how many likes we got right now. If we could get this stream up to 25 likes, I'll make sure I stream every day this week. Get 25 likes, bro. We got 35 people watching right now. I appreciate that. This one YouTuber traded streams daily for 1 hour only. He said he makes over 2,000, almost sniper entry. I know, Ryan. This was perfect breakdown too. New here, my G. Hey, Chef Wilson, I appreciate you for stopping by. If you guys missed the stream earlier, you guys definitely missed the breakdown how we got this perfect entry up here. A few of the fellas, if you guys are reading the chat, yeah, YouTube pays. I'm actually monetized on YouTube already, so that's why too. It helps out a lot when you guys like and subscribe and stuff. Cause that'll help me get to becoming full-time streamer. Cause I do work and stuff. So eventually, I want to become a full-time streamer, but I can only do that with you guys' help. So make sure you guys are showing up every day. 25 likes already. Y'all lying. Y'all lying. It says 24 on my end. Let's get one more like. One more like. I appreciate that though, fellas. I appreciate that. Let's go. 25 likes. Hey, I appreciate it. Let's go. Oh my God. Look at this dump, fellas. Look at this dump. Even I didn't think it was going to go that low. Wow. Look at that. And look at what am I talking about right here too? Look, if candles are ranges, this whole green candle is a range right here. So if that's the top, that's the bottom. We already tapped the top. We might need to tap the bottom of this. So if we need to tap the bottom of this, at some point, it's probably gonna make a retrace one more time and then continue down. Hit TP2, I'm out. Damn. Let's go. Hey man, this stream was probably the best stream I've done in a while, man. We got a lot of people in the chat that were able to win, that were able to close in profit today. Some good pieces. Laughter hit probably damn near 20,000 or something. However much laughter hit, man. Boy is eating today, man. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I like to see, though. That's what I like to see. And yeah, like I said, we got 25 likes, so. Shit, man, if anything, I might have to stream all the way till London if we could get this. We keep going. I want to find another trade. I want to find another one. I might look for another buy or something. What I'm thinking of, I kind of see a buy opportunity right now. We did just hit this bottom level, which is this level right here. Boom, hit that level. This is what I kind of see happening, is that it's going to close right here. The next one's gonna wick up. It's gonna close above. It's gonna need to tap this high up here. It's gonna need to tap this high right here. I'm gonna take a buy right here. Ooh, let's see. Okay, my stops are going to be right here at the bottom of these lows right here. Oh shit, let's see. Okay, let's see. I just want to try to get this pullback real quick. Let's see, we're in right here. This is 10 pips right here. Let's see, 10 pips down here is the stop. Oh damn, what time is gonna go down? Let's see. Let's see. Oh man, this thing might just come straight down. I'm back at break even. If it goes in, or I'm gonna go to break even. Oh, that thing might tap me out. It didn't tap me out. Oh, it tapped me out. All right. Damn. Yeah, it was a little risky. But I do see it needing to come up though. Cause it's just like every time this happens, it always does that. Let's see. I could be wrong though. Okay, I managed that one. I lost 1 pip on that one. I'm in buy right now. I was 1 pip down, minus 1 pip on that. But I see it coming down, so I think it might need to come down, to be honest. Damn, sell. Okay, watch this be the move up now. Damn, watch that be the move up. It broke the low. Oh, dropped. Okay, it needs to come down then. It does need to come down. I was expecting it needing to come up at least a little bit though. I thought it was gonna at least come up here and do this and then that, but it just went straight down. But damn, I almost wanted to take a sell at this point. Yeah, because like I said, if my idea is wrong, then it's the but it could be, you know what? It could be forming right here still. You know what? I bet you that is the low right there. I'm wondering if that's the high, if that's the low. Damn, like everything is 50. Yeah, everything's bearish still. So I was hoping for at least a top wick or something. This back testing gives wings. Keep it up, bro. Hey, let's go, lone trader. Hell yeah. No, but I see this being because this becomes the range right here. So if this is the range, then I'm thinking this might need to be tapped up here. So around these 2316, 2317, you're going to be able to probably get into something over there. I think that's where I'm thinking this might be a buy right now at these levels. And then you can have a super small stop, because if it breaks this low, it shouldn't break this low right here. It should just now continue back up. But if it breaks this low, it's gonna most likely continue down. Yeah. Damn, that thing moved quick. I'm gonna take a buy right here. I'm gonna keep my stops. I'm gonna keep my stops right here at the bottom of these lows. That's 15 pips. That's 15 pips is that stop down here. So I'm gonna keep about 15 pips. See how it goes with that. Damn. Let's see. I see it coming up though. That's why I say is I see it needing to come up. Here. Then hit that. Let's see if it needs to come up at least. Oh, you know what? That is already the 50 mark. Damn it. Oops. Damn it. That thing just flopped like that. So now it needs to touch this top area. So it needs to break these highs. I'm gonna make these the new lows. Let's see. It's only hit 2 pips so far. This is 10 pips. That's 10 pips right there. This will be 10 pips. I'll probably, I'm gonna go break even now. I'm gonna go break even. Okay, let's see if we can make it up here to this 15.9 area. 15.9 area. That's 10 pips right there so far. That's 10 pips. I want to hit this 15 15.9 area, I'm break even already. So if it hits, it hits. If not, then it doesn't. But I'm already break even. So break even 15.9 would be right there. Come on, I think it needs to hit this high up here though, which will be at 16. So we could probably extend it right here to 16. All right, so like I said, we're already eight or so pips in. So like I said, if it's either gonna be break even or TP, and the TP is gonna be right here at the top of here. So if it hits, it hits. But oh, did it get me out? No, it didn't get me out yet. If it breaks though, if it breaks, I'm out. Let's see. All right, there it goes. It got me out. Damn, it hit me out. Damn, it hit me out. Stop loss, or I mean break even. I just wanted to manage it quick because I figured that it could just change so quickly just because of how big these range was. I thought this was only gonna be like a 5-10 pip range. It ended up being 15-20 pips. So, but I do see it needing to tap these highs up here. But like I said, it's just, this could have also been that bottom wick that maybe could have got me out. But just gotta, it is what it is. You know, I could have maybe closed around 8-10 pips at the most. But oh, I took buys around these areas right here. Once this started flipping, this green candle right here flipped, I took that. But I was expecting it needing to go up to tap these highs, but I'm wondering if not. But I mean, it could even come up all the way up to these levels up here. So, or maybe even up here. And look at, watch this thing start to run up. I mean, I could have even, if I would have had a better entry, maybe like somewhere down here where I was really thinking about getting in at. But then look, it did hit break even again. So I mean, it maybe was a good exit too, you know. But yeah. This is going against the bias also. This wasn't that smart of me to try to do that too, because of the fact that we are kind of bearish, and then I'm over here trying to take buys going against that. So look at how small of a range that was. It's like I'm playing with fire doing that. That's what I was kind of telling myself I needed to not do, and look at what happened. So what I should have been looking for is sales. I don't know why am I looking for buys. This would have been a probably, if I wouldn't have been so stuck on buys, I probably would have been able to find this as a sell the same way I was able to find that as a sell. But you know, just being a little greedy, I guess, not really paying attention. It's a little bit of everything, but I didn't lose anything, so I'm good. I'm still up 20, 22, 23 pips, whatever it was, so I'm fine. I'm good. Man, that was a bad idea though. I shouldn't have taken that. I should have been looking for sales. Look at the sell from there. 15, I would have been up 50 pips already, so I would have been up 50 pips. I'm out at break even. Yeah, share on your social media and like and subscribe. Yes, for sure, bro. I'm definitely gonna yeah, that was the sales. But damn, look at, guys, look at, imagine if we would have held the sales that we were in from up here. How much would that would have been? From our sell entry down to where it went, that would have been 120 pips if we would have just held the sell. Wow, crazy. That's what I'm talking about though. That's not a bad entry. Yeah. All right, so look, it looks like So yeah, let me try to figure out what we're gonna get into now. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching though. If you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe, hit that like and subscribe for me. Appreciate it. Yeah, we got 36 people watching right now. Appreciate you guys for watching though. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop a like. Man, we were in these sales, man. Oh man, I'm already feeling like I too much shoulda, woulda, coulda. Yes, sir. Buys are risky, but you know your stuff. Stay with order flow. If you held it, would have been 120 pips. I know. See, that was my idea too, though. Was that this is what I need to work on myself. I'm still in buys, zone though. Yeah. These areas down here. This is why we had this low right here tap. So I'm wondering if this wasn't the move to go up, could this be the one to come up then down? But yeah, like I was saying about having these sales from up here earlier today, when we had these sales here, I have to understand that was my bias when I got into that trade, was a sell, you know? So what I ended up doing, taking these two little measly trades that could have went really bad against me, that ended up becoming break even, but that was too risky. I shouldn't have did that. I should have, if anything, I should have taken this sell from up here like I was expecting earlier. Should have took another sell from there to come down. You know, I shouldn't have took a different bias in a sense to try to take the reversal, especially like I'm trying to time it just right in a sense, you know, and obviously you can't be right every time, but it's something that needs to play out the same way this played out, exactly like I was expecting it to, and I was able to almost say this is what I'm looking for. I wasn't really able to do that in these areas because I was a little bit more rushed. I was just trying to hurry up and I didn't want to miss out, you know, a little bit of FOMO, that kind of stuff. So that's where I'm, like I said, I'm trying to work on that also with myself, understanding that part of it is, if the plan doesn't stand out like a sore thumb, like this needs to happen, this, boom, then just stay out, you know, just relax and wait till the next one, because it's not gonna stop. It's always gonna happen. It just keeps happening over and over. Check the 30 and hour candles. Oh yeah, my bad. Let me check that for you. Oh yeah, these things are moving. All right, so look. I see that there. Okay, boom. That was the target for that. That was the target, right? So what needs to happen on a lower time frame is if you go down to this, you're going to see the low, but that closed below. So what's going to need to happen is this is going to need to be tapped. All right, so now that needed to be tapped. Let's see where it needs to tap next, where I'm thinking it might need to tap up to here. So I'm wondering now, is this the move that I was kind of expecting to have up here? And that was my fault. I might have jumped in too early thinking this was the move I should have been waiting for. Because like I said, I know there's going to be a pullback at some point, and it's usually at a low or a low. But now that I'm kind of looking back at this half-hour chart, or this is the 15, but just on the half-hour chart, this candle becomes the range, and that's the range of the candle. And when you break below, you usually go to the previous low before that you're going to target. So look, oops, oh yeah, all right, so look, this is one candle, this is two candles. So that candle closed back inside of that range of this first candle. So what needs to happen is the high of that needed to be tapped. Now we need to tap the low of that, which is why we did tap the low of that. So once we close underneath here, that's when I started realizing what you do is you go to a smaller time frame, and on a smaller time frame, you start looking at the previous lows, which is over here now. So these are the previous lows of all of that, of before this whole range right here. But if you notice, you see how this closed below that? Now you need to target the next previous low, which will be this low, which is why, exactly why we tapped right here. So what I'm going to look for now is, I believe what needed to happen next is if that's the new low, hold on, let me see. Does it need to target this previous low one more time? Which is right here, boom. Oops, let me delete that. Which is right here, boom. And look at, we did tap it. Boom, we tapped it exactly. So let me go back down to this area up here. Oh yeah, right here. Okay, so this was the range. And then on the range of that, we tapped the high of that. Boom, tap the high. So what happened is now we closed above and wicked above one time. So one, close above, wick above, close above, wick above, close above, wick above. So what needed to happen now is close below, and wick. Okay, yeah, this was it right here then. This was it. Yeah, this was it. Because look, close below, wick below. That was the move to come back up to this range up here. So I'm thinking where that could be now is, wonder if this could be a possible buy at some point. I'm over here looking for buys again, but that's what I'm kind of thinking, is at some point this high up here needs to be tapped. Because that did exactly what I'm pointing out. So I do think at some point this needs to be tapped up here. So let's see, hold on. So that, okay, when it's going to need a tap here, it's going to need a tap here next. So it's going to need to come down to this level down here. So I'm thinking it's going to come down here. It's going to tap down here. And this is where I think it's going to either need to close respecting it, wick below, and then come back up, and then come back up like that. But I do think at this level it's going to make a decision. It's either going to respect this level or close below it. Yeah, watch it just come back down to close below that area. Or then maybe, let's see, or could it come down to here? Boom, which is halfway here. But yeah, I think this might be the move to push up a little bit. Alright. There's two levels. Okay, there's gonna be the low, and it's gonna need a tap here. So these are gonna be the area of interest here and here, but I don't see this being a level really too bad. I think this needs to be tapped more. Just for that reason. That is coming all the way back down. Let's see, hold on. I need to check something. This is gonna close in 24 minutes, so that would be that. So that will close there. And then the low would be that. Would be the low. So we might need to come down. Alright, look. Okay, it's tapping that area. It's tapping that area. It will pop down. Yeah, so look, okay, now it tapped that. So it needed to tap, it needed to break that low. So now it broke that low. Ooh, okay. Okay, now it broke that low. Let's see, okay, so now we're coming down, Yeah. Yeah, I think it's moving. So I figured, let's see. I think this still has a half 25 minutes to close, so told you 2308. Yup. Yeah, That's where I entered on 30-minute. 20 LD was my TP3. Damn, good job, Clark. Yup, that's what's up. There it is. There it is. That would have been a nice sell though. If we would have held that sell, that would have been 100 pips already. Over 100 pips. Wow, this thing is melting. Melting, melting. Let's see, let's see. Okay, let's see there. Okay, this is the low of that. That's the low of it. And then this is the previous low of that. Okay, it's gonna come down one more time. Wow, this thing is moving. That's crazy. Oops. Yeah, I'm just glad we took them. We got out of those trades though. See, that's why too. If you're ever in a trade and you're always kind of like, oh, I think it's gonna go down. You kind of second guessing yourself. Just get out at break even if you can. The sooner you get out, the better, because that way you can worry about the next trade. Because your instinct might be right, but then sometimes you might get out too early, but it wasn't your trade to begin with because you weren't really too sure anyways. It's when you're like, you can't be mad if like how this is moving down. I mean, I could be mad like, man, I wish I was into this, but it's also wasn't part of my plan, because if it was part of my plan, I would have been in the trade as a sell. So you just got to be okay with just following your plan and stuff like that. Previous daily low. Hey yo, you guys, give me 1 minute, one minute real quick. I'll be right back. Give me a sec. Yo, 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 what up, what up, what up? My bad. I'm back. Let's see, let's see. Damn, bro. That was some crazy sales, though. Crazy sales. Imagine we got into those sales up here at 12. Hey, Ryan. Hey, Ryan, if you're still here, look at this is at 1 o'clock right here. Boom. Purged it. Boom. So this is 125. So by 120 it was already purged, heading down. Let's see there. Didn't hit that. Laughed, it took support at the level, I think we closed back above, but going. Ooh, let's see. Damn, was that it? That was it, I think. That was it. Boom, that was it. It's going to hit up here. So if it needs to hit up here, let's see. That would be that. So that would be that. So the next high would be here, which is where we're getting rejected at. So we're gonna hit that and that at the same time. We're probably gonna get rejected right here at this level a little bit, come back down into here, and maybe come back up. So maybe look for a buy, maybe. Let's see. But look, the next high that we have to possibly touch is going to be up here at 16. Damn it. Let's see. If we could possibly tap this area right here. I think that might have been it though, because we do have a range all the way up to this level. Let's see, the 50 of here is not till about here. So that'll be the 50 level of that. So we do have a chance to at least make it up to here at the 13.1 level, which is still 10 pips away. Does this have a bottom wick? Yes, it has a bottom wick. Let's see, 5. Let's go to the 1. So there, that closed that. So now this next range area is down to here, down to here. So I think what might need to happen is we might need to come down to these levels one more time. And then that might be the level where we bounce off of. Or we just go up from here. Who knows? But I'm wondering if that could be it. It's gonna come here. It's gonna come here. 19. Alright. So it broke those highs. Damn it, man. I think this was it though. It was kind of following along with everything we were talking about. Look, like we were saying earlier, is that this is the low of this whole range. Let's see. Let's see, was it 30? Oh, yeah, right here. Boom. Close below here. So it'll be the previous high. So look, okay, this is the range of the candle. We need to close below, and it's going to be the one before. Wow. No, I don't want that level again. All my analysis, I think that was a stop hunt, but you never know. Let it break a structure and go up, man. Yeah, look at this. Damn, I wonder if this could be it. This could be it. Closed above. Let's see. I think it's coming down now. It's gonna come down. I'm wondering if it's gonna need to come down to this level or it's gonna need to come down to this level. Cause I'm almost wondering if I should take a buy in this level right here, right where we're at. That'll be the area. And then it'll be over here. I think down here would be the best area. Yeah. Hourly closure incoming high alert. I'm waiting for the retracement to ride back up. Yeah. For reals, bro. Damn, I wonder if that could have been it. Damn it, that's what I was looking for right there. But I was a little worried about that. That would have been perfect though. That would have already been 10 pips, break even. Yeah, because look, if we close above here, it's going to be the next previous high, which will be here. We close above, we're going to need a wick above. So we're going to wick above, we come down. So we're going to probably most likely come down now. I think if we come down, this would be maybe a buy area. So hold on, 15. Yeah, that was the move right here. This is all looking good because this is looking like we have this area right here that we need to this is the whole range right here, and this was that 50 area too. I think, pretty sure that was it. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching. 3K so far, love it. Damn, laughter. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Bro made 3K today just from watching, just from chilling out, hanging out with the stream, you know, bouncing back and forth ideas. Yeah, laughter's a day one, but that's for sure. That's what's up, laughter. Good work, man. I'm proud of you. That's what we do here, man. We just cook all day. We just try to read price action, figure out which levels. It needs to go somewhere. There's only two options. So try to figure out which bias we are in and which areas need to be tapped. If the range is big enough for us to tap an area, then it might be worth taking a trade. So that's really all we do. Just looking for areas to buy. You gave me a great idea mentioning the ranges, bro. Oh, bro. Hey, Fluidity, I want to send you a video, bro. I need to send you this video. It breaks it down better for you. You'll really understand it, but bro, I'm telling you, you're gonna cook. When you know what you already know, now you look at it this kind of way, bro, you could cook all day with it. It's just ranges. Everything is just ranges. Like, everything is just ranges, it seems like. It just goes from one to the next, one to the next. Ooh, this is low. Let's see. That was an area that I was thinking about the selling, which was right here. But yeah, I miss you. Let's do it more often. You have given me confidence. Yes, laughter for sure, bro. We're gonna do this more often. Like I said, once we got to 25 likes, I said I'll do it again tomorrow. So, so make sure you guys hop on tomorrow, and we're gonna try to get some more sessions in. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe. That way you guys don't miss a stream. And I'm going to be trying to do this more often, everybody. So yeah, if you guys are liking the stream and subscribing, we'll get this cracking, you know what I mean? Hourly needs to do its thing now. Yes, let me look at that. Yeah, I get stuck a lot of times on the 5 minute. But yeah, look at this. Okay, so we see this coming down, this tap this range. This needs to close in 4 to 5 minutes. So if this closes below these ranges, then most likely the next candles may be gonna wick up, then probably continue down. But if it closes inside of these ranges, it could wick down first and then go up. So we're gonna see how this closes. But yo, champ, let's go. But yeah, we was cooking though. We cooking today. I'm feeling. But yeah, I'm glad, Laughter, you feeling more confidence because um, it's more or less is just following your plan. That's why it's so important to have a plan. Like it took me a little while, a long while to really understand it and to really be able to follow it. Um, I think of the last month or so, uh, it's really been. It's almost been like I've been able to see the plan, the playbook in my head in a sense to know exactly what I'm waiting for. So obviously it takes time till you get to that point, but it's you want to get to the point to where you're not really thinking about it. You're just like, okay, if this happens, then this has to happen. So if this happens, then this has to happen. So that's why I kind of been taking my trades. Like when I take a trade, I understand. Like let's say I take a trade down here, I understand it shouldn't break this low because that's part of my plan. If my plan was that this was going to be the bottom and it's going to reverse up, it shouldn't break this low no more. So the idea is that when you have a plan, you follow it, and if it breaks that low, it gets you out, but it just lets you know that okay, that wasn't the right plan that you were expecting, because the plan that I'm expecting doesn't break this low. So it almost like it's like you're able to survive it. So that's why I kind of understand now. It's like if this breaks this low, then that's not part of my plan because that's not the trade I was expecting it to be. When it doesn't break the low and it goes up or something and respects my stop loss, then it kind of lets me know, all right, yeah, that's part of the plan. And now I understand that I'm on the right side of the trade. You know, I'm on the bullish side or the bearish side, whatever side it ends up being. Um, but yeah, that's why I say it's important to follow the plan. Follow the plan. Yeah, I think that was the buy area. Okay, you know what? Damn, I wanted to take a buy. That was the area right here. This was the area I was expecting right here. Boom. Okay, on the flip of this candle, I'm gonna take a buy. Or you know what? I'm gonna take a buy right now. Oh, what the heck? $12.47 is right there. See, that's 10 pips here. I'll manage it there. This is 15 pips right there. We're gonna see how this plays out. Wait for hourly. Yeah, I know. That is true. I kind of didn't think about it. Kind of jumped into it quick, but let's see how this plays out. Damn. All right, let's go. All right. Ooh, boom, that thing is moving. Let's see. All right. Let's see how this plays out. Yeah, for the wick entry. Yeah, I try to get into a little. I guess we'll see how this plays out, but I thought it was gonna. I was assuming it needs to tap up to these levels up here. All right, I'm gonna go break even now. Oh, let's see. I'm gonna just go break even because that should have been the bottom wick already. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But damn, never mind. Okay, it got me out. Damn. Damn. See that? But that was why I got out though too, because I wanted to. I was I was a little bit worried about this pullback, like how you guys are saying it's the hourly candle right now. So if anything, it might still push up, but that might have been the bottom wick, I think. Damn it, that was just the bottom wick. Fuck. Damn it, that was a cook though. That was a cook right there. I'm not even mad. That was a cook. Damn, that was a cook right there. Remember not to be greedy. Dollar breaking gold must dump more. Sheesh. And that would have been the 10 pips though. Wow. Let's go though, bro. Hey, y'all tell me that was a cook or not. Was that a cook or what? I probably should have stayed in for one. What I should have did though, where I messed up I think, is I should have trusted it a little more. Not that I didn't really trust it, but I could have trusted it a little bit more, to where I should have made the stop loss right here at the bottom of this previous low right here. So I moved it from, let's say I moved it from 15 pips down to 5 pips. So what I should have did was move it at least right there to give it a little bit of breathing room, because I kind of figured that hourly, but it was, I got in kind of late too. Like this entry was kind of high, so if I would have been a better entry had I been in down here or something, because I kind of figured this was the move. But yeah, nah, that was no top wick, so we got a wick to fill now. Exactly. And look at to the left right here, guys. Look at to the left. Look at this big giant candle right here. You see that big giant candle? All of this is a range now. So if you look at it from that level now, you could see that that is the whole range. And look at, on this side of the range, we took these lows out, closed back inside of it. Now we took out these highs. But this is the range right here. This is also why I figured this might be some kind of pullback right here, because it doesn't usually just break straight through like that. What happens, it gives it a retest, which is this right here, before the breakthrough. So that was kind of what I was waiting for over here. And I kind of figured that was what was going to happen. That's why I got in at this point, because I figured, okay, if it's going to break that level, then most likely it's going to break that level anyways, you know? So, damn, let's go. Above 20, man, you see that? I should have cooked that one a little bit longer, but man, that would have been nice right there, right guys? That would have been a double W. I should have had it. I should have trusted it more. I should have left the stops, let it play out, give it a little bit of breathing room. I kind of rushed it into it because it was the hourly. That hourly candle gave me a big bottom wick, so that was where I kind of cooked myself. But it's all good. It's all good. And that was my next plan though. That was my next play. And look at where it's running at. And now it's at 23 pips. It's gonna at least probably go here 28. At least target these highs now, I would assume. So what's gonna happen is here, it's going to need a target up here at 15. So what's most likely gonna happen is gonna do its normal, like it always does this. If it doesn't break the top, it closes like that, then it's gonna hit this bottom one, hit here, and then start moving up like that. And then it's going to hit this highs where it needs to hit. That's going to be the high. It's going to need to break the high, and then after that it's going to come back down again, and that's where it's going to get rejected. Oh shit. But that was a cook though. That was a cook. I ain't even gonna lie, that was a cook though. We almost caught it though. We almost caught it. I was being a little hesitant, because the same way these other ones kind of went against me real quick, that's kind of what I was worried about. So when I took this one, it was a little too quick, but this was the move right here. Because look at, even you have this low and this low perfectly. It's like exactly above these two levels right here. Look, we have a support, we have a resistance, we have a support. Boom, perfect. And look at, like I was saying, okay, it's gonna close like that, it's gonna come down, it's gonna need to probably sweep the low of here and then continue back up. So I'm wondering if we possibly, nah, I'm already too late. I'm over here trying to think about how to get back into another buy, but nah, like I said, my buy should have been where I took in my original buy, because where I should have taken that original buy at, I would have been in risk free, you know, stop loss to break even, and I wouldn't have to worry about nothing. But it's the fact that if I were to get in right now, I'm over here risking it like for a small little range and stuff, and it's just like those are the impulse entries I have to avoid. And look at, there it goes, boom, there it goes. But that's where I say is that those are the impulse entries I have to avoid. Push, psychopath, yes, bro. Break this level, no traffic. Damn. Yeah, that was another cook sesh though. That was another cook sesh. Will they give the buy now? No, I'm not gonna take no buys right now because we're already at the top of this range. And look at where we tapped. Almost tapped it. We didn't tap it just yet, but when things need to be tapped, if it almost gets there, most of the time it's gonna go tap it because it needs to tap this high right here, and it hasn't tapped it yet. So I think here is gonna be the area of interest right there. Yeah, I had to let it go because it's not according to my plan. Yeah, I know that was it. That was almost it right there, fellas. Though that was almost it. That was almost it right there. Look at this perfect entry right here. That would have been perfect, fellas. Oh my goodness. Imagine having this entry right here. Oh my god, we would have been eaten. We're getting close though. We are getting close. And look at, I bet you if I were to fix this line, look at, boom. See, that's how I knew what low I should be targeting, is because it's that low. And look, that is exactly the low that got tapped. Oh, it almost got tapped. But look, this is the low. This is the entry we would have wanted to get in. So what I need to do is try to figure out how would this have been the entry? How would I, what do I need to look for in this area to get into this buy? Because that would have been 50 pips from this area to the top of there. So that's the area we need to look out for, is like, how did we figure that out? How did we get to that level? So what I'm looking at is here. So this is the area we're looking at. So where I would have wanted to look at, and if you look at where the took the trade at, this dotted line is the middle of this this dotted line is the middle of this area, is the middle of this 50 line of this order block, I guess you could say. That was the area of interest that I was kind of looking at. And then if you kind of look at way over here to the left, that was the low that I was looking at also. Because look, this was the low that got broke, and this is the low previously to this low, and that was the low that got targeted. It got wicked, it got closed below. Well, if I go to a smaller time frame, you'll see it. It got wicked below. Oh, let me go. It closed below, it wicked below that one, and then that one got wicked below, and that was the signal to close back inside of this range, which was the range of bottom of here, which is also the top of this range right here. And then now, once we close above this range right here, you can see this is the range that we closed above in. Once we closed above, we needed to target that range. And like I said, a lot of times it doesn't just break straight through. So when it doesn't just break straight through, that means when you come back down for a retest, that's what this was for. And that was why I was expecting, once we got this a respect right here at this level, I kind of understood. Now since we didn't break through here for the first time, now it's going to break through most likely because of the fact that we found this support at this level. So once we found that support, I already kind of knew this was going to not be able to it's not going to be able to stand. I already knew this level right here wasn't going to be able to hold it. So that's why I've kind of jumped the gun a little bit early, which is here. But I'm already at the smallest time frame, which is the 1 minute. So I couldn't break this 1 minute candle down to figure out where I needed to go. But I could have possibly waited even for these wicks down to get a little bit of a better entry, because that's where I should have probably waited. But I mean, now I'm looking at it, this is exactly what I should have did. If you look at, there's this area right here, boom, that became the that's the level right there exactly that I should have waited for. So if I would have been able to wait for that level, I could have got into my trade here. Then when I would have gotten into my trade, once I went to break even, it would have been risk free without having to worry about my stops getting tapped. But yeah, that's kind of my thought process of when I'm taking the trade and stuff like that. So um, yeah, if you guys have any questions, my bad, I was kind of stuck into that. We might have to grab some more liquidity to push this, maybe give it liquidity. Yeah. Well, I'm thinking this might have been enough already, because of the fact that every time, like I was saying, every time, like, okay, fellas, I don't know how many people are watching right now. Let me see. Let me check, see how many people are watching. Get ready to hit that like button for me, guys. Get ready to hit that like button for me. We got 38 people watching and we got 33 likes. So let's hit 40 likes, and I'm gonna give you step by step of what I look for when I'm looking for a range and stuff like that. Let's get 40 likes, and I'm gonna show you how I find these levels and stuff like that. I've never discussed this on stream or anywhere before. So if you guys get this to 40 likes, which is just 7 more likes, we just need 7 more likes, and I'll start explaining how I find these ranges and what am I looking for. I'm not trying to hold you guys hostage and make you guys force you guys to tell me, but you know, sometimes I gotta make sure you guys are watching. Which broker you using, bro? To be honest, Stoic World, I don't know if you guys know, I have a Discord in my description, and I have a Instagram also in my description. So make sure you guys follow my Discord, join up, and then you guys also follow on Instagram, so you guys could message me. So message me on Instagram, Stoic World, and I'll tell you, because I don't really give out like broker information, just for the reason of like no free promo, but also I don't want to give people a broker and then it goes out of business or something like that. So if you want me to give you some info on that, I'll be gladly to talk with you in Instagram, and then we could talk about that or whatever, you know what I mean? Or on Discord, if you got Discord already, just message me on one of those, and then we'll talk about what broker and stuff. But yeah, that was the idea. Yeah, this is it, guys. This is it. This was the move, man. This was the move, and that was the buy back up. And it's the same thing right here. Look, why didn't it break above? Same way this didn't break above. So what this is right here is, this is a retest. So most likely once this breaks above here, that thing's gonna run up. I think it's gonna do the same thing. It's gonna run straight up. Same way this came back down 50% mark. Oh, that's the, well, actually look, it's gonna come right here. Look, it's gonna create a box right here, and then it's gonna tap into that. Look right here, watch. Boom. Okay, boom. Okay, look, now I'm gonna put this line right here. Okay, look, next candle is gonna come down and it's gonna tap this line right here. This next candle, let's see. No free promo, that's great. I know, but it's not even that too. It's just like I don't want to give out information, because like in case the broker goes out of business or something, they lose money, or I don't want to be responsible for that kind of stuff, you know. But yeah, look at, so look, my next idea is that it needs to tap this line right here, and then after that it's going to break above here to tap this area right here. I would try to get into this, but like I said, I'm already too late. I should have stayed in from it. If I was this confident in this trade, I should have stayed in down here. But since I got wicked out, it's all good. I'm just kind of reading price action now. I think I'm gonna take it easy for now. I'm not gonna go too crazy right now because I've already taken quite a bit of trade, so I just need to chill. It was a hard day for me. I slipped really bad and got activated. Then when I took the second entry with Dawn, the broker lagged and got me in a same position, the same position instead of one, and I realized that late. Damn, Top G. I know it does that to me sometimes too. Took some buys on USDGPY. Good work, Fluidity. Could you do the analysis on the 4-hour time frame? Yeah, let me check that for you. Let me see that. Damn, that was kind of the how I had these levels as targets also. As you could see, this is why I had these as targets, because on the higher time frame it's also the same thing. But yeah, so I had it pretty much on the same idea. So like pretty much look at, I know I have a lot of lines, but it's more or less of like when I'm on the 5 minute or 1 minute, I'm kind of looking for areas to get tapped. And that's why I kind of figured, look, if I figured where it needed to be tapped at, I thought this level right here would need to be tapped. It almost did it, but I guess it didn't do it, but that was the area that needed to be tapped. And you could do it from here to here. That got tapped. But yeah, so like I said, man, when you understand the candle ranges and stuff, did we get 40 likes yet? Let's see how many likes we got. You guys were saying you guys wanted me to look at Sam. I'm waiting up for the 30-minute. Yeah. We got 37 people watching. Hey, make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe. Hit that like and subscribe. We got 37. We got 38 likes, y'all. 2 more likes. I said at 40 we was gonna get. I was gonna show you guys how I do that. So oh, and look, we need 1 more subscriber so we hit 1620. Let's hit. Did it hit 40 likes? Laughter. Let's go. Laughter, you already eating, man. You've been killing it all day, bro. You need to relax. You need to enjoy the profits, bro. You gonna save some pips for us. Critical level, yep, exactly. And this is exactly why we're getting rejected at this level right there. But I do believe this is going to push through because this one didn't push through the first time. So if it comes down here, respects and does all that, then there's really no chance of it really holding it back. I've seen this play out like this so many times. It's kind of the same way over here. Look, kind of like this, where you could say, let's say maybe this. Oh, no, that one. You could say like right here. Look, boom, we came up, we didn't break through, but we came down, broke the low, boom, didn't break through, boom, right here. That was it. It's almost like, okay, because if anything, this wasn't the level right here. This was the level that we needed to break through. If you notice, this one's a little bit lower, so that wasn't the key level. So once we broke this key level right here, then you could kind of already tell this was the area we needed to break through. So once we didn't break through, got rejected at that point, this was the area I kind of figured that would be the move. So it kind of does that quite often. So now I know if this wasn't the move to break through right here, but we still need to tap these highs, if not these highs up here. So if we need to tap them highs, then this right here was just to grab liquidity to come back up. And then this follows the whole plan of finding the trade to come back up, which would, let's see, it would break below here. It would break below and then find the low, break there, and then find this area, boom. That would be it right there. So yeah, like, but that's what I'm saying is like I figured it was gonna go up. It needs to go up anyways. It's just struggling here because that is a key level, but it's going to need to tap that. And just that's what I'm saying is I'm just going off of the ranges and stuff like that. And when ranges need to be tapped, I can't. Sometimes I might get in right here. Let's say I get in right here and then I hold this drawdown, but I'm usually not. I can't say all the time, but a lot of times I am right though. Yo, we hit 16. We hit 1620 subscribers. Yo, I appreciate you guys. I appreciate it. Ooh, it's starting to push down. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching. I appreciate it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment and I'll try to answer it as best of my ability. So I appreciate it. Guys, we have a very resistance of the 1 minute. We have a very hard resistance on the 1 minute. Yeah, I know. This is exactly it right here. But I see this being a resistance right here. And look at, we're finally breaking through it. Okay, so that is this resistance. But this top one is the wick. So from what I'm familiar with is that wicks need to be tapped. So if that wick needs to be tapped, it is getting resistance here. But that would have been the idea of, look at, it goes back down to this small range right here. Now again, if you look at this being the range, this is the range, this is the range. It broke below and it broke those lows right there, and that's what took us back to the top of this range. And the top of the range is here. Now it needs to tap the previous high, which is also right here, which is going to be that high right there. So now that it tapped this high, if it's going to reverse here, it's going to need to break that, and then the next candle is going to wick above to come back like that. But it could also still continue up. But damn, look at that buy right there. That would have been another killer buy. But it's all good. This is what we do though, man. This is why we show up every single day, because I know if we look at these charts long enough, we're going to be more familiar with these and be able to really cook up some stuff like that. Don't care, break that. Break that. Yeah, it's gonna break that. I know that. But that's where I say too is that it is also having these as a high right here. So if this is the range though, but then I think then that means the next previous high needs to be tapped, which it technically just tapped that. So what I'm thinking though now is that this next candle is it's either gonna break that and come down. That's my idea, but it needs to break that, I think. But close above, yeah, it needs to break that. So this could close like that, then this is going to close above, and then this is going to get broken by this candle, and then it's going to come down like that. Like I said, I just been seeing it happen over and over and over. So if this candle closes inside, now this is the range right here, this candle. So if this is the range, then this one's going to close here, the next one's going to hit this bottom one, the next one's going to hit the top. And what I mean by top is at the top of this candle, it's going to hit there, and then the next one's going to break that one, and then it's going to continue down like that. So you're going to see a fake out possibly right here in these areas. Let's see if this breaks it and closes. What that does signal higher prices. So let's see. Hold on. Let me see. Let me check something. Okay, so look, we do here, boom. Okay, we need to go to the 5, go to the previous 5 high. Oh, you know what? Actually, we're heading up here, I believe. We're heading up here. We're heading up here. If my calculations are correct, we're heading up here, fellas. Which is also going to confirm the buy down here was even more correct. So I think these were, damn, so these buys were the buys. Look, imagine we would have stayed in it. That would have been another 50 pip move. But look at, these were the sales we took earlier. We closed for 25. We could have hit for possibly 100. And then we hit these buys right here and almost hit break even. And then we almost hit it for another 50. So it's just, man, it's been good lately, man. We've been going back and forth, going back to where it broke down high, yeah. But that's my idea though, is that so now that we did hit this level, right? So look, this was the level that I was expecting us to hit. Boom. There, we're gonna break down from there. It closed, boom, it broke above. That's the level now. So I believe though it's going to need to tap these lows, and then after that it's gonna need to tap these lows right here, which is here. So it's gonna need to come down to these lows down here. But it might need to break that one. Let's see. Perfect V shape. Hey, pause, bro, pause. He said perfect V shape. Nah, playing. There it goes. Damn, but this was the move right here, y'all. This was the move. Boom. That would have been perfect. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching though. If you guys haven't hit that like and subscribe, hit that like and subscribe. We're trying to get this stream out to a lot of people. Let's try to get it out to 100 people. Let's get 100 people in here. And then we're gonna cook again. We're gonna keep cooking, bro. We're not done cooking. We've been cooking all day. I ain't even gonna lie. We've been cooking all day. Bro said, Fluidity said I took a 50 pip drawdown earlier, but I'm up now. Haha, let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Pushing P, baby. Pushing them pips. 15, 15. Let's see, 15. Oh, okay, so look. So look, this becomes the range right here. This is why I know it's going to react here, okay? Look, guys. Trade and analysis was dubbed, but should have got it more room to breathe. I know. Psychopath, I know. That was my fault, but what kind of threw me off a little bit was those two other break evens because of how fast they went against me. I knew that the last trade that we just hit break even, that was my perfect entry right there, in a sense of, if I would have taken those other two break evens, I would have probably been more confident in letting that one breathe. But it was the fact that I took those other two and their other two were wrong, so it kind of already made me like on the edge of, is this the correct one or not, but it ended up being correct. But now that I'm kind of looking in hindsight, yeah, I could definitely see where I went wrong, but I figured out, like, I mean, it's a learning a curve, I guess. I learned a new thing today, I guess, and you could definitely say I learned something today. But yeah, it was definitely good breakdowns today, man. This is what we do. Yeah, I think we're gonna make it up here to the 17.8 level. So I'm wondering if I could take a buy to possibly get in, but then again, like I tell myself, look, okay, I have to stop myself. If I wanted to take a buy, I should have stayed my happy ass inside of this buy when I was in the buy at the perfect area. Because I hit break even, I needed to like just take that on the chin, let my plan play out, and just sit back and watch, because I can't be taking trades impulsively just because I got out break even. And I had another chance to get back in over here, but I didn't. But like I said, that's just my fault. So I gotta bite that one I gotta take that one on the chin and just move on to the next trade and next setup and stuff. But yeah, that was the move right there, y'all. That was the move. It's called FOMO. Exactly. That's exactly it. But that's where I say though, is that's why I tell myself is that my initial trade was right here at this bottom area. So what I should have did though was, when I got into the buy right here, I went break even kind of fast. Once I went break even, this candle took me out, and then like I said, that was the move that happened right before. So that's where I try to tell myself I was in this buy already, so I shouldn't even have FOMO right now, because I should have already stayed in that trade. But since I'm out of the trade, I gotta accept it and move on to the next trade. Just focus on the next trade, next setup. And I kind of figured this is the new move coming up to here. But like I said, imagine if we were into this trade from down here. up to here is that 50-point move, and we would have been break even, risk free, not even worrying about nothing. So it would have been pretty nice. 30 should close above 16. Yeah. But yeah, look at, let me show you guys, and look at, this is, oh wow, we have this range possibly all the way up here to 21.6. Damn, all the way up here. So we possibly could hit all the way back up here at 21.6. So we might want to look for a possible buy or sell. I mean, a possible buy to look back up. So if we need to hit these levels up here, then my idea in this range, because this is going to be the range right here, in this range, we've already tapped the bottom. So what we need to do is target these highs. So what I'm going to possibly look for is now on a smaller time frame, there's going to need to be a pullback at some point before pushing all the way back up. So maybe this might be it right here or somewhere, but we might want to look for a pullback to possibly take back up. But that's kind of what I'm probably going to look for right now. But this is what I'm expecting. Okay, look, this is how I find my levels and do things like that. So I appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe. We're gonna start streaming every single day, so make sure you guys are joining every single day. All right, so look, this is the range, right? This candle right here, look, this is what I did right here. Let me get rid of these lines right here. Boom, boom. Okay, look, let me show you guys. This is the range idea. This is like how I look for my ranges and stuff. So this is the range of this candle. Boom. This candle wicked all the way, but it closed inside of the range, which is above the wick of there and then the top of there, right? So when this closed above, it wicked down and then it closed above inside of this whole range right here. So with this being the range, what I'm going to be looking for is the tap of this range right here. Once it taps this range right here, then what it does is you go to a smaller time frame, and the previous high is the high that it targets before continuing down. So look, I'm going to this is it right here. Watch, look. So look, let me show you. So what I would do is, this is the high right here. Boom, that's the high of this candle. That is exactly where I put the high of that. Boom, I go to the 5 minute, I don't see no high. I go to the 1 minute, what's the previous high to that? The previous high is way up here. So where I'm seeing it at is that most likely we're gonna need to make our way back up to these levels up here. So any of these pullbacks right now could possibly just be to push back up again. And look, so look, we're probably gonna come back. So look, like I was saying though, let me see. Okay, there goes that move right there. Boom, here, hit that. We're gonna need to hit this. Boom. Okay, look, we broke it with there. Yeah, we broke it with that. Yeah, this was the level. Look, we broke it with that, and then this got broken with that. So now this becomes the whole range right here. Now we need to tap this range right here. So there's a good chance that once we tap here, this is going to be a deciding level right here. We're going to really see what happens. I'm thinking it might go up, but this would be an area where we would probably want to take some kind of buys if we were looking for buys. Just for the reason that if we're expecting these highs to be tapped, and you know, this is just a pullback to go back up. So let's see, we closed out, broke that. So let's see, hold on. That would be the low there, and then it's going to be the previous low to that, the previous low to that, which is going to be way down here. Damn, so I think we might need to tap way down here. So if that's the case, we might need to come way down here before this push up. Let me see, let me double check, let me try to double check. All right, that becomes the range, and then we close here, boom, and down. Hold on, let me see something. There's the low right there, boom, and then the previous low to that technically would be, I mean, there is this low here, Yeah, I think it's put. Oh, there it goes. Yeah. All right. So that's what I'm thinking is that it needs to come down to this level down here before it needs to push up. Or actually, my bad. It's that one. It's this one right here. I think it's here. That would be the area. 13.6. 13.6. Then that would have been a nice little sell right there too. Alright, yo, Stoic, what up, bro? What time do you stream most often? It just depends on what days. My bad, I just seen your message. Robert Nelson, what time do you start? Well, today, honestly, I watch Wix 9 during days like today, and then during New York, I watch Donvo. But I usually stream London, which is kind of like the next session later after this. But yeah, Stoic, what up, bro? But yeah, I usually stream like London for the most part. Damn, this thing is going, breaking. Alright, so there is that. There is that. Boom. I'm wondering. But yeah, I usually pose your Donvo Jr. Let's go. I'm trying to be like Donvo, man. He knows how to cook, bro. That bro knows how to cook. Trendline. Trendline. I know Trendline. If you're talking about the YouTuber, yeah, I know Trendline. Or if you're asking if I use Trendlines, no, I don't really use them, but I know how to. I kind of go like this. Look at that. Boom. Perfect drop right there. Damn, that was perfect right there. Look at that. But yeah, man, I'm trying to cook like Donvo, man. He knows how to cook. Bro could cook for sure. Mr. Sam. Mr. Sam Gikes. Not the same. That's funny, bro. But yeah, I'm trying to cook, bro. I'm trying to cook. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching, y'all. We got 46 people watching right now, man. That's love right there. That's love. But yeah, oh yeah, like back to where I was saying, is hey man, if you guys are showing up every day, I might try to stream every day, but like, cause there's some days that I work to profits. Let's go. So like I was saying, fellas, is that some days I work, some days some days I don't work during the week. So if I'm working, I can't stream during New York and Asian. I can only stream London. But if I'm off, I could stream New York and Asian. So if we get enough people to like and show up every day, then I could show up every day and stuff. Bro, don't stream for. Oh, I know I seen him stream for 13 hours. I got back on. When I got on, I seen him on still, and I was like, oh, what? Hey, bro. I was like, man, he's still on? Or I thought he got on again, but I figured I looked at it and it said he was on the whole time. But yeah, that was a crazy stream. Hey, bro, what's crazy is I had you and Don on, and I ended up taking a nap. I ended up falling asleep taking a nap, so I was like, oh, bet. I was like, bet. I fell asleep to you guys freaking just on stream and stuff. You guys were streaming all day. I took a nap because I stayed up late last night, and then I woke up early for New York. And then I got work and stuff, so I was like, I just try to catch up on some sleep. Buy might be here. Hey, bro, I know the buy exactly might be here because look at you. See how this respected that level perfectly? That's exactly what I want right there. You want to see that. And this closed inside of that range now. So what needs to happen is that this might need to come down. Let's see. Hold on. A little bit lower. This might need to come up to the top of this range of here. That is there, so that broke that, and then that targets the low of there, so that didn't, so that would target there, that would target there. Oh yeah, now it's gonna possibly come up again. I'm wondering if this could possibly come up again. All right, let's see. Let's see something. see something. But yeah, win sleep. Yeah. FYI, I'm using 3-minute Bollinger Bands. You guys can follow along. Damn, let's go. Bollinger Bands for the win. Bollinger Bands for the win. But yeah, Stoic, you was streaming for 6 hours, bro. I'm gonna have to clip up some of those clips in a little bit. I was watching both of you guys at the same time today, and I was just taking notes and stuff like that. Hey man, shout out to Big Donvo though, man. Donvo. If you guys aren't familiar with Donvo, you guys go follow this Donvo Clips channel. I run this clip channel for Donvo, and make sure you guys follow this up. We got a lot of good videos if you guys are learning and stuff like that. This is gonna be a good channel for you guys to learn from. All kind of different things. This is who I learned to trade from. Bro, I was so cooked towards the end. Yeah, bro. But yeah, bro, you guys make sure you guys go follow this clip channel. We're at 1,000.06 subscribers. Let's hit 1.1. Yeah, Donvo is the legit, man. Donvo is my mentor. He's the one who showed me how to trade and stuff. So that's why, you know, like I said, I show love Donvo all the time, man. He showed me a lot. But yeah, this is the page you guys need to go follow. Donvo Clips. Go follow this up, subscribe. It's a dope channel, man. I like doing these clips for Donvo. It's a lot of good. You guys haven't heard that Roger Banks diss? Oh my god, bro, I was dying. This was funny right here. Let's hear this Roger Banks diss real quick. Let's hear.
The Trader Academy, was that?
Let's hear this Roger Banks diss.
Yo, wakes you, babe. In Dubai, city nights where the gold shines bright. Roger Banks trades big, living lavish every night. He's got the FOREX game on lock, or so it seems. But behind the curtain, he's not living the dream. Gatekeeper of knowledge, he keeps it all tight, selling secrets for a profit. Ain't that right? He thought he was the king, nobody could touch, until Wix 9 and Donvo came through with the clutch. It's a battle of the trades, Forex and gold. Roger Banks versus
that's right. It's a 2v1.
Story unfolds with Wix 9 and Donvo. Truth to be told, the realest in the game while Roger's getting cold. Wix 9 and Donvo, the good guys in the trade, teaching all the secrets, showing how money's made. Roger caught a rumor, thought stole his name, started throwing shade, trying to tarnish their fame. Don't rap, he stole my domain. Roger screamed loud, but his claims were in vain.
Alright, that's enough, y'all. That's enough. Exclusive, man. Y'all gotta go follow this channel, bro. This channel is dope. I like this channel. Oh yeah, cooking. Buy is cooking. This is strong level, I guess. Buy is cooking. And I'm over here chilling, hanging out. Oh, look at this right here. You see how this respected this level perfectly? That's exactly what I want right there. I want it to respect those levels like that. Yeah, I think this might have been a buy area right here. Damn it. Let's see. Hold on, let's see. I have this level here. Let's see, 30-minute there. Why did I have that level there is what I'm trying to figure out. Why did I have that level there? Okay, boom, it hit there. And boom, it hit there. Oh yeah, that's gonna be a buy signal right there. Okay, I think it's gonna get rejected here. It's gonna come down here and then go up. I think this might be it. So I would have rather, what I should have did was find out where it was at right here. Alright, so that got respected. looking at range area. Yep, called it. Yep, called it. Yeah, exactly. Psychopath. That was it, bro. That was it. That was the move. Oh man, that was it. Oh my goodness. That was the move, fellas. That was the move. Hey, bro, but that's how it is. That's literally just cooking like that all day. Just figuring it out, cooking all day, cooking all day. Yeah, it was kind of my fault. I went towards the I was over here watching these other stream and stuff. I'm in a buy at 23.11. Oh, bro, you already in a buy without us? Oh man, how dare you, bro? How dare you? Yeah, it's gonna need to tap up here to the 14 levels, I think. I'm wondering if right here, I'm almost wanting, nah, I'm already kind of late. Damn, man. I really wanted that to be the buy area though. Alright, so boom, boom. Let's see, boom here. That's it, that's it, that's it, that's it. Let's see. That's it, that's it, that's it. Boom here. Let's see. Boom here. So if it comes back down to that level, I think we could take a buy at these levels right here. But I don't know if it's gonna come back. It's looking like we might just push straight through. Damn, that was it. That was it. Damn, we pushing. Should have locked in, buddy. I know that was my fault. I messed up that one. And Reese's FX. I know you had said something about this is a strong level, I guess. What course? Just purely his channel. Yeah, I just watched him purely on live stream, bro. Just watched his live stream and just learned how to read price action and stuff. Damn it, that was it. That was it. That was the buy. All good, man. But that's why it's like, I'm not even mad, man, because it's like, man, we could find these all day, every day. It's just a matter of time, you know? So, how good is Vo in trading the news, though? Yeah, Don Vo's legit at trading the news, man. Today he closed like, I forget, 20 pips. I think he closed like 20 pips, 25 pips today on the news or something like that. But he has a good little strategy when it comes to trading news. And on this clip channel, I actually have it right here. Let's see, I have a clip about it too. Don Vo explains how he deals with news candles and entering. Yeah, this video right here. So if you guys watch one of these videos on that Don Vo clip channel, you'll see how he does his news and stuff like that. I like the way he does his news and stuff. But yeah, there goes those buys that we was looking at. Agreed. Yeah. But yeah, man, that's it, man. We just cooking every day, all day. That's all we do, man. Like I said, I'm not mad. I can't be mad at not taking a trade because I'm confident that we can find these all the time, you know? So it's just, I've already taken like 3 or 4 trades, so I'm already pushing the limit. And I've already hit 2 break evens, I guess, so my bad, man. I used 30-minute entry. My bad. No, it's all good, Clark. Don't worry about it. Yes, bro, never regret. Exactly. Look at that push, though. But price going up, though. Fluidity. I know. That's the problem. That's like I tell myself, though. It's like, I don't want to take a buy, even though I might still be right till up here. Man, my buy should have been down here. And I should have been risk-free already, not worrying about it. That's where my buy should have been. Me taking a buy here is not that I can't be right, but it just makes it that much harder for me to win a trade when I have a small range like this compared to look at this big old range right here to be wrong, you know, to where, like I said, especially when we were down here, we were right at the bottom of this box. So and that's where I say is like where I tell myself the idea is that if it breaks this low, then the whole idea going up is wrong because this should be the low already. And if that was the low, you know, we shouldn't need no big stops. So when we get into a trade here, our stops will be just right there. And that's why I kind of know. But that's what I'm saying though is like now if I'm trying to take a trade to the top of this range, I only have this little box to play with, which is, I mean, if you're a chef and you could really cook, and where I still believe if I were to get in right here, I could still make it up to this line, if not this line. But the thing is over longevity, eventually I might get one of these ideas wrong, and then I might lose a good amount of pips because look how big this range is to the downside. You know, let's say I take a buy and then I end up being wrong. I should have taken the buy right here, and then I should have been wrong. I only needed this much to be wrong. You know, I don't need to get in a buy and leave it way down here because I still believe it could always come back down. But that's why I say it's like I should have been into these buys a little while ago. So what I need to do now is figure out where this is going, and wherever this is going, we could maybe take a sell. Or if we figure out it's going way up here, then maybe we do get back into a buy or something. But that's just what I'm saying though, is that like if I feel like I missed the move, I try not to force anything just for the reason that I don't want to get into a bad position. I should have just waited, you know. So and being on stream helps out a lot, to be honest, because I'm in front of you guys and I don't want to take a trade right now and go into a drawdown and it was all just because I got FOMO or something, you know. If you said my bad, I might have to close my buy. I feel bad for you. If it should break below 2305, the marketplace is going into a crash, bro, like a waterfall type of shit. Yeah, that's if it goes back down that way. Yeah, but this could be a pull back up. It might give us a little bit of a push. Heard there's some military action going on with Russia and the U.S. combat Cuba, Florida area. Damn. That Wix and I was supposed to stream today, but I guess Don was saying they had like a big old storm or something, so he might not, his internet might be out, or you know, they dealing with the storm and stuff. So that's always crazy to hear about when there's a bunch of big old storms going on. As I said, we need more liquidity to break this 2316, and those shorts just feed that push towards 2320. Yeah, your stream is 1 minute late. Yeah, no, make sure you press live. I don't know why it's that late right now, but let me see. Yeah, it's pretty late right now. I don't know why. Sometimes it's like that, but sometimes it's not that late. See right now, if you can see the time, it's 7. Well, if you look at the time right here on my the side little ticker, it says 23 14.5 is the price, and we got 15 seconds left on the 1 minute chart. So on the 1 minute we got 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's see how late we are. We're in consolidation confirmed. Yeah. Damn, look at these. Boom, perfect. That would have been a good move though if you're in from there to there. Wow. Look at those USD GPY buys mentioned. Check it. Yep. Exactly. That's what's up, bro. Yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching though. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. And make sure you guys subscribe and hit that like button. I really do appreciate it. I think we're gonna come down though. I do think we're gonna come down here. So if we're gonna come down to here, then these next levels are going to be down here. So I'm wondering if that could have been a sell area to maybe down here. It's only, let's see, currently from here to here is 20 pips. So it's not that big of a range, and that's if we even come all the way down here. I feel like it could just come about halfway and then turn around. But we're gonna have to see how this plays out, because honestly the range is all the way down here though. So if we come all the way back down to the bottom, then it's going to need to break. It's actually going to need to break. Let's see. Yeah. So that would be the low right there. So that'll be the low, and then it's gonna need to come over here, tap this low. Okay, so it's gonna come down. I do believe it's gonna come down here. It's gonna tap this 12.1 area. So if we're looking for a possible sell, I'm wondering if we could look for a sell somewhere in these areas, which will be here to here, which is exactly where we're getting rejected at. So I'm wondering if we could take a sell from here. Let's see, how much is that? Oh, that would actually not be good. Imagine we took that already. It could come up to here then. Okay, so if it needs to tap that, then here. Let's see. All right, so it needs to come up here, I think. That's where it's gonna sell from. All right, you know what? I'm gonna take a sell and keep it right here. What the heck? It's not getting me in, bruh. Let's see. Alright, I'm gonna get in. Okay. Okay, got me in. Let's see. So it shouldn't go past these highs up here. So if it goes past these highs, then it's going to be no good. So it shouldn't go past those highs. But I'm gonna give it a little bit of cushion just in case, which is about 10 pips. Wait till hourly close. Oh, I should have waited. Where's this hourly gonna go to? The hourly, let's see, this hourly. All right. I'm gonna go break even right now. I'm only 3 pips up, so I'm gonna go about. I'm gonna just let it rock. I'm gonna let it rock. I'm break even already. I'm already break even, so if it goes against me, then it does. But I think I might have gotten in at a pretty good area. Damn, now I think it might need to come up. It might need to make a top wick. Damn. Well, this did already make a top wick, so let's hope it comes down all the way down here. Come on, let's push. Let's just have it push down. Stickman, let's go, Stickman. Stickman, push. Stickman, push. Stickman, push. Push. Stickman, push. Stickman, push. We pushing. Low volume for your sell. Low volume, let's go. Low volume. What are we gonna do with low volume? No, you cheating using Stickman. Let's go, Stickman. All right, look, I have my area right here. We're already about 10 pips in a profit, but I'm taking profits down here at 2312.5. That'll be the that'll be about 22 pips, 23 pips area. I do believe it's gonna hit this low right here, which will be about 26 pips. So I don't know, I might see if I could push it, but I think I'm gonna target just this 22, 23 pip area. Let's see. Let's go, bro. Let's hope we survive this this top wick. Is this the hourly? Oh, it's the hourly top wick. You know what happened last time with the hourly top wick? The hourly top wick got us. So let's see if we can survive this one. Come on, survive it. Come on, survive. Survive it. Come on, y'all not trying to survive it? Hourly looking good. Let's go. Come on, survive this top wick, man. Come on. Y'all playing with me. Stick, man. Let's do it. Nah, I'm playing. But like I said, bro, this is just me following my plan. If I see something that follows part of my plan, this is what I'm doing. I'm going to do it. And I'm going to go break even because a lot of times it could go against me. And I'm not mad if it does. But if it doesn't, it doesn't. But I'm okay with going break even. Because if I end up surviving it, then, you know, it's party time after that. Oh, let it flip, man. Let me find out this thing gonna flip and run. Man, come on, Runner. She's a track star. Come on, Runner. Runner, she's a track star. Oh, come on. She's a runner. She's a track star. Come on, man. Y'all can't be doing me. Fill upper wick, then your bottom wick, maybe. Uh-oh. Let's go, fellas. Can I get a round of applause if it runs? Can I get a round of applause if it runs, though? Let me get a W. Let me get a dub in the chat. Let me get a dub in the chat. We're only up 7 pips so far. We were up about 10 pips, but let's get a dub in the chat. 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 Yeah, appreciate you guys though. We got 48 people watching. Let's go. And if this thing runs while we got 48 people watching, y'all gotta show some love, man. Y'all gotta show some love. Let this thing run. Let this thing run. And like I said, I'm already break even, so risk free. I already took a 22 pip win trade earlier today, so you know we're playing with house money at this point. You know, we're just trying to survive these top wicks. If we could survive these top wicks and we hit this full TP, oh my gosh, bro, we gonna be on and popping tonight. We gonna get it cracking tonight, fellas. Make sure you guys hit that like button though. Like I said, we're gonna start doing this every single day. We've been cooking lately, you know, we've been really trying to cook, so make sure you guys are oh man. Oh, here we go with this top wick crap. Oh, let me here we go with this top wick crap. Here we go with this top wick crap. Here we go with this top wick crap. Come on. Come on, stick man, you got it. Come on, stick man, you got it. Don't fail me now. Don't fail me now. Come on, stick man. Stick man gonna get me like that. Come on, stick man. Top wick crap. I know these guys is not playing around right now. These guys are really trying to stop. These guys are really trying to stop us out. Ah, no bottom wick. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no top wick. That's not a good sign. That's not a good sign. Oh, there he goes. Oh, no. Come on, stick man. Do your job. It's what I pay you for. I pay you these big bucks. I pay you these big bucks for this. Come on, stick man. Come on, survive this top wick and we good, bruh. I'm not praying or nothing. I could care less because we're already break even. Damn, almost got there. I think it's gonna hit that. Oh, there it goes. It stopped me out. Wow. Wow, that thing was not playing. Look at that. Damn, so that was... Ooh. Wow. I thought we was gonna need to come a little bit lower than that. No matter, I can't compete with Stickman. The Stickman. I wanna go. Oh, there it goes, man. Stickman is done. He's off the clock. Should have given him a gun. Oh, bruh. Man, we almost had it though. We almost had it. I'm not even gonna lie. That was pretty impressive. The fact we were able to catch that a little bit. I was assuming when we did hit these lows though. So I'm wondering if those lows were enough. But man, that thing didn't even come down at all. But now where I got stuck on was the fact that I should have seen this is how this closed. What I should have did, now that I'm kind of hindsight, now I see where I went wrong at. What I did though, what I should have done was I should have switched to this 5 minute. I would have noticed this because the way I seen this way this closed right here, this candle ended up breaking below here, but it also closed back inside of this range right here. So with it closing inside of this range, and look at what it did. It just swept out these lows right here, which also look, I bet you if I go here, you're gonna see this is the low. If I go here, boom, you're gonna see these lows get tapped. Those were the lows that got tapped. And then this ended up becoming the new low, because if you were to break down these candles, this bottom wick right here is the new low of this resistance. So this ends up becoming the range right here. So you can see this is becoming the range. That's the top and that's the bottom. This ended up wiping out these lows. Now it targeted these tops right here, and it's looking like we're closing back above. So I'm wondering if we could take a possible buy, but no, I'm already done. I need to chill. I'm already over trading kind of a thing, but it is what it is. It's just following the plan. Like I said, the things that I see like I said, now that I go in hindsight, what I should have done was I should have moved up to back to the 5 minute. I got stuck on the 1 minute the whole time, just reading the 1 minute, and I was kind of seeing, I didn't really notice this all playing out the way it did. But now that I'm seeing it, like I said, this becomes the range, this becomes the range. We break below, then we target the low, and then that's what everything ended up playing. So look, we broke this low, boom, and then with this candle we targeted this low while also going back to the previous low, which would be this guy, and that's the previous low. So we broke it. These are the steps that need to happen for you to see these, for these sweeps to be valid, is what I've been gathering, is that just keep coming to the stream and I'll keep explaining it. But this is just how I come up with these ideas and things like that. So look, it just did the same thing right here. Look, this thing closed back inside of this range, this closed like this, but then this one did the same thing. Now we're back up to here, so we're gonna need to come up to here to tap these ranges up here to come back down. So it's almost giving you the idea that, but that's why this sweep right here was the same sweep it's the same thing, just on a different time frame. This is on a 5 minute, which is not very much information, but I've been really good at reading these 5 minutes and 1 minutes and stuff like that. So that's why when I could see 1 minutes, I could see things that happen. But you also need the 5 minute though too. Like I said, the higher the time frame, the better. So if this ends up becoming the top of the range, this becomes the bottom of the range, we need to tap the top of the range. And that's where I'm thinking it needs to head. Because like I said, look, okay, so this just tapped the bottom. And then this is, I think, is gonna need to come back down to here. So it's gonna come to here, I think. Let's see if it comes to here and then comes back up. Because this would also be the first break. So what did we say earlier about that being the first break? It always needs like a retest. So this would be the retest, and then the next push up should be the one that does break it. So yeah, I'm staying out of everything right now. I'm staying out. Oh yeah, let me check. Bro, Biddy, we gotta get Audi to start DVS on Hindi, man. We gotta get ADI to start DVS Hindi, man. What do you mean? Champ, what do you mean? My bad, I just was locked in doing this price action stuff, but what do you mean, champ? Let's see. Should have given your stickman a gun. GG, still a win. Yeah, the stickman. Stickman with the gun is deadly, bro. That what we want. Believe in red candles. Alright, yeah, so yeah, like I said, so look, maybe this was the first retest right here. This might have been enough. If you think about it, this becomes the range. And we tap the lows, broke them. Okay, let me go back to you. Do you think the daily is gonna flip for a top wick? The daily for a top wick. Okay, the daily for a top. Oh, daily doesn't have a top wick at all. So look, all right. So what I've realized is a lot of times things happen inside of, like, this is on the daily. So you could find this same type of pattern, type of thing on a 15-minute or something and see how that plays out, and it kind of gives you a good idea of what happened. So look, this being the candle range right here, we never broke the range. And what I understand from like my understanding of a 42 idea is that the break of the third candle signals a direction. So when it signals it going up, that means we're gonna have a fake out. So if I go down to, let's say, a 4 hour now, the previous high is not going to be till way up here. So damn, so that does that mean we might need to work our way all the way back up to there? Okay, so but yeah, let me see. Okay, so so yeah, I do think this could be a possible bottom wick right here. So look, if we see this as a bottom wick, we go, let's say the 8 hour, the low is gonna be right here of there. So let's see. There. It's gonna be right here, and we tapped it already. Tapped it already. Boom. So now I do think this area up here is the next level we need to target. So at some point we do need to make it up to the 2341, which is still a good while away. But wait, is that 40? Yeah, that's 41. Damn. But yeah, like I'm saying, okay, so look, this is on the daily. We have these closing inside, this and that, right? Breaking the low of this, not the high. So let's go to the 8 hour. This kind of did the same thing. Look, close inside. Boom boom, let's see. Okay, the daily, okay, it signaled there and then broke the high. So let's see, it signaled there, oh look, it did the exact same thing. Look at this, check this out. Look, okay, look, this candle, this is an inside bar. This was like the 42 idea that I talk about. The break of here signals the direction. It broke the high, and then this is the low that got broken by here, and then that low got broken before the push up. So when you go to the daily, you could see the same thing happening. Look, the big candle, the inside bar, the 42 idea, the break of here, then the break of this low. So at some point, then if it does it the same way it did there, that means this low needs to be broken. So maybe, like I was saying though, the high needs to be tapped, but also the low. So I'm wondering though if this ends up being the bottom, but I don't think this is the bottom, because this isn't the idea that we talk about, where like you see how this is the low and then it got broken here. This is the low and this low never got broken. So I think at some point it might need to be broken, unless I might be wrong. But what I'm thinking though it could be though is that this low right here might need to be tapped, and then that high is going to be tapped, or it's going to be this high and then this here. So I think these two levels are going to be important to be watching out for. Like I said, I have a lot of lines, but it's just because of how fast I do I'm on the 1 minute. All right, so let's just try to figure this out. So yeah, this is on the higher time frame, and then they usually say close above higher prices. So since this closed above this previous candle, we might need to signal higher prices. So at some point we do need to make our way up here, but like I said, it might need liquidity first. So if it needs liquidity first, it might need to do something like that. But this is on the daily, so it could take a while before that happens. You know, maybe not this week, maybe even next week or something. But yeah, that boy can stream the DVS concepts in Hindi, which was a massive audience. Winstash, brother. I'm out for now, DC, and see you later. All right, later, bro. To the moon, bro. To the moon. Laughter. Yes, go. Yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching, though. Here comes 2016. Oh, let's see. Oh yeah, my bad. Let me get back to this daily. So that's the daily. Let's see the 4 hour, what the 4 hour looks like. So the 4 hour is down here. Let's see. The close is 37.74, 37.74. High 37. Okay, so it closed above. Barely though, but it did tap the low of here, and then it tapped the low of here, so that wicked already. Boom. That might go there. So what might need to happen though is it might need to tap all the way back up here. This is on the hourly. Hey yo, I've been streaming for 3 hours already, yo. You guys hit that like button, man. Show some love, man. We've been cooking today, though. We've been cooking. I can't even lie. I hope you guys learned a few things, and if you guys have any questions, there's a Discord in my description. Make sure you guys link up and follow the Discord, and then you guys also follow the Instagram, and you guys can message me on Instagram and ask any kind of questions you have, and we'll try to answer it to the best of my ability. Like I say, I'm not gatekeeping nothing. I just spread love, show love, help my people out, show up every day, no days off. Let's get better at trading every single day. There's no reason to take a day off, even if you're not using real money. Still show up every day, because it's about the long-term game. Because remember, you can have a bad day, but you can have a good week. You can have a bad week, but you can have a good month. So don't forget that. So don't let one bad day, one bad loss bring you down or stop you from trading. And like I said, even if you're not using real money, still show up every day. Take paper trades, take mental trades. This is why a lot of times when I take a trade, like I'll be like, oh, I'm just gonna see what happens at this level. I'm like, okay, let me pretend in my head, okay, what happens if I took a short right here, boom, or something like that. So just things like that. You just kind of got to walk yourself through a bunch of different trades and stuff. But yeah, I have a lot of freaking lines right now. Damn, I was cooking. Can't even lie. Damn. So yeah, we might need to tap these lows right now. I was at 1442, so we would have been right back into my where I took the original sells at. And like I said, this is the sell. Okay, on the vice versa, how we were saying about breaking through things, like right here. Oh, oops. Like I said, look, when we broke here, we didn't break through. We came to retest and then we broke through, right? So it's almost kind of the same thing right here, but on the other side where we came down. And we were, instead of breaking straight through, we almost needed to give this level a retest, which was that. And now this is going to break through. Now it's going to come down to this level right here. Most likely it's going to come down to this level. Like how I was expecting it to do it earlier, it almost does it the opposite on the other side. Now I'm obviously hindsight, I could see it now better, but it's the same idea where it's like, instead of this breaking through here and we have to give it a retest and then it goes, that's what this was. It's like this was the retest, boom, and then it goes. And then that was the highs that it needed to break. It did exactly that. Now it's coming down. And now it's going to most likely come back down to these levels that we were expecting in the first place. You know what? I'm going to take a sell right here. 10 pips is right here at this level. Boom. I took it right at the break of that blow right there. Let's go. It's only 3 pips up, so let's see. I'm gonna bring it at the high of this candle, so it's only a 3 pip stop loss. So let's see. If it wicks me out, wicks me out. Let's see. Let's go. Alright, let's see. Right here is at 10 pips. That's right at this level, but I do think it's going to come down here, which would be 12, 13 pips. But, say we're up 5 pips right now. So I'm going to go break even. I'm just go break even. It is what it is. because we're up. It's up 5 pips so far. So if it goes, it goes. And there it goes. Alright, and like I said, this area right here is a 10 pip mark for me right here, so I'm gonna wait for this level to get tapped, and then oh, it turned around. Yeah, it's either gonna be TP right here at 10 pips, or it's gonna be break even. So either one of them, again, break even or TP. So I figured that was gonna just run like that, but damn, I guess not. Looks like it's gonna take me out again. Seven seconds left in this last minute candle. Let's see how this goes. Oh, there it goes. It took me out. Damn, again. Damn, again. I might have took it a little too low, but I don't know. Boom here. Let's see. Then boom here would be. Damn. Just chilling in the room. Damn. Alright, yeah, so that was break even again. So damn, that's like 3 break evens today. Damn. I'm just mad. I'm not mad. I'm just like, man, what did I read that was wrong? But I did get in kind of late. If I would have got in up here, maybe it would have been a little bit better on the flip of this candle right here, somewhere like a wick entry. I would have hit the 10, but I don't know. Let's see what happened. And that's the thing. If I keep staying on, I'm still I'm still up 20 pips for the day because all these other trades that just hit break even. But I'm just like, man, I could just keep going. But I'm like, I figured this. I still think it's gonna come down though. That's the thing is I don't think it's done yet. It needs to come down to these levels right here. So it's just this was the top wick where I could have maybe waited for that to happen because this ends up becoming this order block right here, and then the high or the middle part is going to be right here in the middle of this. So I think it could come right there to that level. These are all the highs and lows and all that shit. Shiznit. See, I was expecting also this just to push down too. This breaking the low, I thought was just going to push down back to this side over here. Kind of like this did right here. So I figured once it did break, like almost kind of here, like we got rejected, came down, came back up, and then came down. It did the same exact thing right here. We got boom, we got rejected, we came down, came back up, and then this one just did a 42 fake on us, pretty much. So it almost did the exact same thing as it was repeating, and that's kind of what I was almost expecting also, was just this to come back down. Not saying this is done, because this is not done yet, but I'm just saying is that it almost did the exact same thing. Look, boom, here, retest to come up, down. Right here, boom, retest to come up, down, you know? And it did tap the bottom of this range down here. Boom, down here. We're just chilling in the room. How you guys feeling though? How you guys feeling? You guys feeling good? I appreciate you guys for watching though. I appreciate you guys for watching. We just cook sometimes, you know, we cook from time to time. So that's what we're trying to do right now, just keep cooking. Almost had it. Then again, maybe, you know, what did I see wrong? Alright, I need to get rid of all these lines now. I need to figure out something else. I need to get some, I need to start over. Fresh start. So here's a high up here. That's a low. Oops. So what the heck? Hey, appreciate it, Fluidity. Appreciate it, bro. Dub stream. Hey, you guys, if you guys are enjoying the stream, make sure you guys hit that like. You know, I think I already took like 4 trades today, bro. I gotta chill. I'm still up, but I gotta chill. I'm new here. Which pair do you trade? Nelson, we trade gold. We trade gold, bro. XAU. XAU USD. Gold USD, brother. I appreciate you guys though. Appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like button, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. It'll really help out. Damn, y'all, I can't believe you guys really hooked it up. You guys are hooking me up right now. Let me see. bitmesone. Boom. We got 37 people watching and we got 16.3 subscribers, yo. We just hit 16.3. That's love right there. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate it. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna start streaming more. So make sure you guys are tuning in every single day. You know, we just cook. That's all we like to do, man. We just like to cook. Let's just keep cooking. Like I said, I've been on the weekends. This weekend's also, I'm gonna be doing some more back testing, and that's really just what this all comes from. Is just back testing. So if you guys want to join the back testing this weekend, you know, when a lot of people are taking the day off or not doing nothing, you know, I'm still trying to get a little better, still trying to figure things out. So make sure on this Saturday, probably during New York session, the time New York session would be is I'll probably be on stream this weekend, taking some, you know, back testing some things, trying to take better entries and things like that. So make sure you guys tune in and stuff like that. Fucking dubs in the chat. Smash that like so we can get more live stream from BMS. Hey, James, what up, bro? We need to tune in more so you can become full-time streamer. Hey, bro, for real talk. I appreciate that. Well, I will with you always, bro. Good job. Hey, bro, I appreciate that, Nelson. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. I'm down to do back testing this weekend. Will there be in the Discord? I'll probably do it right here on stream also, the same way I'm doing it right now. I'll probably just do it on stream right here. So yeah, make sure you guys tune into that. Yeah, I appreciate that, James. Yeah, like I said, man, the more you guys support, the faster I could hopefully become a full-time streamer. And if I could become a full-time streamer, then, you know, I'm willing to stay on stream for all the sessions and stuff, you know, break them down, just cook all day if we really had to, you know. I like taking trades. So if I see something I like, obviously I want a 50 pip trade, a 100 pip trade, but sometimes I could just see a 10, 20 pip trade, and you know, sometimes I hit break even because I don't close at 10 pips or something, but it's like sometimes I should be closing at 10 pips because of the range I'm trading. So it just depends on, you know, if I notice it soon enough, and that's the problem too. Me taking too many trades, I start forgetting certain things. I forget ranges we're in and things like that. So that's why right now I just need to chill for a second. I need to regroup, figure out some things, what's happening, look around, find a new setup and a new plan. And once the plan plays out, then, you know, we can figure it out. But yeah, so that's just kind of my thinking right now. And if you guys don't know, you guys could also follow this page right here. This is called Donvo Clips. This page right here is really dope. I really enjoyed this page right here. It has a lot of good videos and a lot of good stuff, funny things also, all kinds of stuff. We watch all kinds of videos on it all the time. Let's watch a video right now on it off it. You know, we'll do that right now. Give us a little bit of something to do. that's just funny videos that I post and things like that, things you can learn from and stuff. Don explains the
Why
bottom
has
wick.
gold been dropping?
You know, all these
Actually, this
videos
might
are
be a little
just a lot of
confusing,
information.
but the
If you guys
left-
are learning how to trade and stuff, this is who I learned how to trade from. So he showed me everything. So how about this one? This one always makes me laugh right here. Check this one out.
Appreciate you, JD. Hey, Don, I just wanted to know, why didn't you go for that 15-minute flip instead of going for my nuts? All right, bro, you got me there. Got me there, bro. Do you invest in crypto? A little bit. Nothing too crazy. I have like BTC and a little bit of Ethereum. Appreciate you, JD.
Watch.
Hey, Don, I just wanted to know, why didn't you go for that 15-minute flip instead of going for my nuts? All right, bro, you got me there.
I don't know why, bro. That one's so funny to me. It's like my favorite video. Don't crip walking. I still remember the stream where Don and Wix were watching the clips on stream and shouted you out. Oh yeah, James, you were there. I appreciate it, bro. Hell yeah. That's what we do, man. And that's honestly too. I could just be reacting to this own clip channel while I'm on stream and stuff, because there's so many good videos on here, bro. A lot of funny stuff. And you guys a lot of people liked these reaction videos too, so I gotta repost some new reaction videos. I actually gotta post some videos right now in a bit, so I wonder if I should do it right now. What you guys think? Or should we take some more trades? Or should we be done for the stream? Because I don't know what else I got left in me, man. I've been cooking all day, so I feel like I'm kind of wiped out of cooking already. So, and then when that one is broke, and then it's the previous low, so that one needs to be broke. So when we go to here, it's broke, and then it broke. Boom, there it is. This was it. This was the move right here. I feel like taking a buy right here. I think I'm gonna take a buy right here and keep this small, the stop small. Or is it gonna come all the way down here to 13.7? It might come all the way down here. Oh man, my music turned off. My bad. Or is that it right there? Boom. Let's see. I hit that 50 mark. I think that might have been it right there. Boom. I'm gonna take a buy right here. And the stops are gonna be those previous lows. Let's see. Let's see. 10 pips is up here. Alright, yeah, this will be my last trade for the night. If it goes good, it goes good. If not, then it doesn't. I might go break even kind of quick, because I'm wondering if this could have been it though, but that might have been a little too soon. Let's see. It's 2 pips, nothing really. Right at this level, I'm going to go break even. Let's see if I can go break even at that level right there. Almost. Let's see. Let's see if it even goes up there. Damn, it's kind of respecting that level. So I think if it needs to go up there. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna go break even right here. Or let's see. No, not yet. Not yet. It didn't break it just yet. Oh, there it goes. I didn't go break even just yet. Let's see if it flips one more time. Oh, there it goes. Nope. It don't look like it. All right. Alright, I'm gonna make this my new low. So if it breaks it again, I'm gonna get out. And that's at 4 pips. Actually, no, I'm gonna give it 8 pips. 8 pips. I'm gonna give it like a little breathing room real quick. Just a little bit. It's actually at 6 pips, so 6 pips. 6 pips ain't bad. Yeah, that thing, if it breaks this low, it's gonna continue down. But if it could survive that low and maybe continue back up, let's see. Let's see. Oh, that thing's flipping. If it breaks these lows, I'm getting out, just because it's gonna continue down, and it's at 6 pips. So if it breaks me out at 6 pips, I'm still up, so I'm not worried about that. But and once we go into profit, I'll probably go to break even. If it goes to profit, I'll go to break even. That thing looks like it's flipping bull bearish. Let this thing go up. Let's see. Well, my idea was that it needed to go up, so I mean I could be wrong, but I might have missed something. I could have missed something, but I'm kind of stuck in the idea of what I'm thinking about already. Could go down actually. I think I kind of see it going down now. So I'm gonna move my right at the bottom of here. Okay, break even. It gave me a second to go to break even, but I think it needs to come up to these levels up here. So once it hits there, I'll be, I think, oh. If not, then it is what it is. It's gonna possibly get me out right here. Oh, there it goes. It got me out. Alright, but that was only 5 pips is what it was. I just kept, I just had it right here at the bottom of that. So it was only 5 pips, so. Damn, yeah. That was a little, damn. I think I might have jumped into it a little too soon. It's all good, it's all good. Because, I mean, if I do look at this, I do see this being the range now. So, I mean, we might need to tap, you know, we did already tap that top, so we might need to tap this bottom. Yeah, it's all good. I'm still up like 15 pips or so from that other trade, but that's the only reason why I was taking this many trades too, just for the fact that I haven't lost it yet, but still just trying to figure it out. Man, watch this thing just turn around like that. Damn, bruh. So let's see. It wicked me out. I mean, if I would have left it, that technically was at oh damn, there's one right there. I didn't see it. At this area, it only was 7 pips. So if I would have left it at 7-8 pips like originally, or even down here at 10 pips, it would have at least went to break even right now. But yeah, that did tap, but it tapped at 5, like 5, yeah, right here at the bottom of this fair value gap. But it's all good, it's all good. I guess, look, I guess it was right. I guess it wasn't right. It's part of the game, y'all, part of the game. It's all good. All right, now after that one, I'm done. I gotta chill. I've been taking too many trades already. I feel like I've been cooking though, but man, you know, I also lost 10 pips right now, or 5 pips, so it's nothing to be happy about. I could have secured that extra 10 and been walking away with it, but over trading, you know how that goes. So yeah, I think this might be a sell now. I think this idea might be a sell. So if this ends up becoming a sell, then that means it's gonna come all the way back down to here, I think. Yeah. It might need to break there. It needs to break that. Then it's gonna need to break there. Yeah. Freak. What was I thinking? I really tried to take the bottom. I think that should have been my. And look at me not looking at the right time frame. Now that I'm looking at this, I see exactly what I did wrong. Where this closed below. Once this candle closed below, then that lets us know we usually contain lower prices. So this candle on the wick up should have been my exit. I should have just exited it out when I had the chance, but I ended up not going break even fast enough. But that, I mean, like I said, now I'm hindsight, I'm seeing it, but now it's telling me it's going to come down here to this 12.6 area. So I kind of see that being the next target. At least that right there. And then, like I said, this hourly, this has it there. So let's see, 4 hour. 4 hour there. Boom. But yeah, I guess I appreciate you guys for watching though. You know, it was a good little cook up sesh that we just did. You know, it was a crazy one. It was a crazy sesh, but yeah, appreciate you guys for watching though. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe. If you guys enjoyed the stream and you guys want me to stream tomorrow, put a W in the chat. put a W in the chat if you want me to stream tomorrow, and we could try to cook up for tomorrow. Yo, Donvo is the GOAT. Yes, sir, he is. For real, Froggy, I appreciate it. Hey, James, appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it. Yeah, I've been streaming for already 3.5 hours, bro. That's crazy. Yeah, man, let's I appreciate you guys for watching though, man. It makes me want to stream even more when you know you guys are showing up and I'm not the only one on stream and stuff. So I appreciate you guys for showing up, sticking around with me today. That was gonna be my last trade for today. Don't wanna. I told myself that like 5 trades ago I'm gonna chill out, but you know sometimes when I see what I see, if it's part of my plan, I take it, you know, and just trying to sharpen that, trying to take better trades, you know, things like that. So, you know, nothing too crazy. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching though. I'm gonna be getting off. I gotta get off actually because I gotta do some, I gotta go to work tomorrow. So I'll be watching Donvo in the morning. If you guys are familiar with Donvo, make sure you guys are tuning in for Donvo in the morning. Make sure you guys tune in for that. And yeah, and that's what I got for right now. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for showing up. Real dub in the stream, real dub in the chat. But yeah, alright guys, I'm gonna see you guys on the flip side. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe for me, and hit that notification and turn that bell so that way you guys know when I'm on stream and stuff. So make sure you guys showing up every day. Just keep yapping, but no, I just want to make sure I just say everything before I get going. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching.